Trading futures in the night, so cold rocket dreams, resilience in the fold. Hedge pressurizing, the charts are bold. DD bands rapping stories untold. Riding with rockets through your AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every trade hold never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, midnight glory. Heartbeat thumping, another story. Green and red, flashing voices loud. Future kings standing on their cloud. Riding with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. The pulse ascending, mind on fire, never ending. Trees of gold, endless fight. Push on through the endless night. Riding with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, midnight glory. Heartbeat thumping, another story. Green and red, flashing voices loud. Future kings standing on their cloud. Checking the charts with your AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, checking the charts. Midnight glory. Sanctuary in awe, it's blending. Mind on fire, never ending. Dreams of gold, endless fight. Push on through the endless night. Push on through the endless night. Push on through the endless night.
What's up, everybody? Good morning. Hello, friends. How are you today? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Huh, huh, huh. All ready to do this? It's that time again. It's that time again. It is now Thursday. Or no, Friday? Friday. Happy Halloween, you guys. Ooh, I have this like really bad pain in my neck. I can barely turn my neck. Get a crick. I slept on it weird. It hurts a lot. I can't even play games right. I'm like, 9 o'clock, consumer confidence numbers come out. New home sales comes out. I'm sorry. No. That's not this week. That's not this week. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Nothing comes out today except for PMI, Chicago. During the hour, Chicago PMI is typically ignorable. So not much going on today, news-wise. Market's moving around. Interesting. Pre-market. Up a little teeny tiny bit. Let's get ready to roll. The world record payout with Funda Next on the way. Hopefully by today, I can get the 300K. Because what should you do whenever you are at the finish line? Just sit there and spin the account, flip it one day at a time, trade it a little bit, just inch the finish line. Oh my God, I finally made like $250,000. Let me sit on it. Oh, I can't wait to get it. No, I'm gonna keep going. Kind of a little pussy ass wuss would I be if I didn't keep going. I'm not gambling, not being crazy, but just sit here and cash out. No, I don't want to make the world record payout. I want to make sure no one else ever takes it from me. That's better than getting it. So where's the Halloween costume? Oh shit. I should wear my Halloween costume today. I'm well, I mean, it's not really that crazy. I'm Dak Prescott. So like basically I've got Cowboys jersey. So I mean, you know, the girls are Cowboys cheerleaders. I'm the quarterback, so clearly. In the world. What is a whirlwind? Whirlwind. Well, that's what happens whenever, you know, you walk into the bathroom and the jocks come in and they hold you upside down in the toilet and flush the toilet. Give you a whirlwind. That's what happens when you have Tourette's and you're typing. You add a couple extra letters. Oh, I know. I changed it. It's fixed now. Oh, we need to get the trade. Okay, so Tradeify Arena Cup. Last day to enter this. You guys got to enter Team Rocket Scooter. I'm gonna throw this up there one more time. Hold on. Today, last day to enter it, and you guys need to enter the Ninja Trader one today. Because remember, today, if we get 100 people sign up for Ninja Trader, free contest, I will make sure we get a huge giveaway if you guys sign up. Why is my like when I'm typing, it's like slow. I don't know if my computer, it's like acting like it's overheating, but I don't know if it's overheating though. Alrighty. Okay. Am I gonna sit here and just walk to the finish line? No. I'm not gonna walk to the finish line. I am going to keep going full force. 7,000 up already on the balances on those accounts already. And then my Tradeify is already maxed out for the most part. Okay. You guys are gonna do me a favor. Giveaway 20 accounts Halloween giveaway. Must have 100 plus signups for Ninja. I know most of you guys signed up. Link and too, chat. Telling you guys. All right. When they came to me, there was 8,500 people signed up. And now there's 9,732. Perfect. We brought 1,200 people to the competition. Pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing, which is good. So we can finish it up to 10,000. Finish it up. Even if you guys aren't trading, at least reserve a spot. Because all it does is give that $100,000 prize possibility of that one person fewer for everyone else trading. Good morning and happy Halloween, you guys. I could be wearing my Prescott jersey today, my Halloween costume, but I'm gonna just be in the spirit of Halloween. I'm just gonna look. I mean, I got a skull. Look, arr! This is so Halloween looking. I dress like Halloween every day. Somebody said, "What is the world?" when I misspelled it. I can show you the world. Your Broncos just made him look average. Yeah. Yeah. Sad days. I told everybody, I was like, so can I come as a Dallas Cowboys fan? And like, what would you wear? And I was like, oh, I'll just carry around a bucket full of water. And people ask what it is. And I said, well, this is just for all my tears. I'll be standing with a bunch of people. All my friends are going to be Dallas Cowboys. There's like 7 or 8 girls. IDOC and a bunch of her friends are all going to be Cowboys cheerleaders, you know, sexy cheerleader costume. And the dudes are all going to be like referees and football players and stuff. I was like, maybe I could be the fan, but I'll go ahead and I'll just be quarterback. The Bengals to make the Cowboys look like a Super Bowl contender. We always have that. Yeah, this is true. So I can start a raffle for 10K people to sign up and do nothing. Split your winnings with lucky raffle winner. There you go. When I trade overnight, I didn't get any good like ace setups. I just basically traded off a feel overnight. Let me draw my setups really quick. It's still not remembering my drawings. 26 to 34. These all bent or backwards. 26.034. Oh, I did remember my drawings. This one did. 26.034, 25, 828. Right, wrong one. This is gonna be way down there. Okay. Nothing. Nothing other than Phil. The market. Well, let me show you really quick. Hold on. 68.78 and 58.53. All right, that's there. Sometimes I just decide to go into it because I'm liking what I see. Typically, when I see markets like move like this, I get really excited. I think it was here when I longed. Yeah, that's it. It's like the market was like just trucking along. I was waiting for this, and then it just went like, and I was like, oh, I guess it's gonna rally, and then it just nosedove really quick when Asian markets open. Supported at the low, and then I decided to just like whatever. I was like, all right, I'll jump in. I kept it light though. There's no like 20,000-30,000 trade. I could grab like 3 contracts each or 4 contracts each, something like that. Just like a quick, I like those quick plunges. I usually trade to retrace, and then it went up really quick, and I was like, oh nice, oh nice, oh nice, oh okay. And I was like, okay, I'll close out. I went to bed, or went about my day. That was it. So. Like, just like, you know, essentially nothing. There's no strategy there for that other than Asian markets open. It was supporting it low sesh. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. And it wasn't hedge pressure, so it wasn't like a high probability pivot. But just technically speaking, it was like, well, nice little bull run. We're probably going to keep going higher. And then I just said, you know, you get like 5 or 6 like red candles in the overnight. It's usually like, okay, if it hits some kind of support, I usually buy it. Just like 2 nights ago when it fell all the way to hedge pressure and at like 11 o'clock at night, I jumped in on it. Same thing. As As you see, I jumped in it in 7 of my accounts here. That's how we do it. Maybe if I refresh, let me make sure it pops up if I refresh the right way. Okay, it is saving the drawings. When I click save, I have to manually save. But all right, y'all, welcome back to the stream. So traded at 1800 as pivot. Yep, that's basically it. Straight up feel, no technique, no strategy, no nothing. I just liked what I saw. I was waiting for hedge pressure and it was just leaking lower. I was like, okay, cool, maybe I'll probably get it. And I just saw and it was like really quick volume. Like well, actually, no, it was like a minute or two after Asian Open, I think, actually. My memory's a little fuzzy about yesterday, but I think it was actually when Asian market opened, it did fall, if I think about it correctly. I think it wasn't before Asian market. It was minutes after. I think it dove when the market did open. Yeah, that's right. It is here. Yeah, so it just like fell, and then it hovered there. And I was like, okay, let me just grab it. 92 to, I was like, I'm gonna put like something here, and if it falls, I'll add to it. I'm bullish. So that was more like an entry position. I'm like super bullish this market. I was ready to, after yesterday's close, when I saw that, I'm like, oh, long up, we're good. We've got all the probabilities so on. I'm gonna long it really hard right there, and then get the run. Then it just stalled. I was like, well, let me just take a taste at it. I'd be willing to just take a loss. And it was like doing this. I'm like, okay, I don't think it's falling anymore. I think we're kind of good. And I just tapped it. Okie doke. All right, guys, we are running towards the finish line here. There might be trade debate issues this morning. What's going on? Is it giveaway Bonanza? Holy shit. It is giveaway Bonanza. Should I be wearing my Halloween costume for giveaway Bonanza? Oh, maybe I should. I forgot. It's giveaway Bonanza. Holy crap. Holy crap. Hold on. By golly, you guys are right. When my accounts are maxed out, it means they've hit my limit, my profit limit that I've set them to be. So I have profit limits that I set just to, because like with Tradeify, I'm just trying to roll in and get all my payouts and go live. So this is my, like with Tradeify, I was sort of inching along building a buffer. And then now I'm like rolling out pretty hard to get my 80,000 in payouts. You guys remember that? Let me tell you exactly what I have done this month. Oops. So with Tradeify this month alone, I have taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 payouts with Tradeify this month. I'm just rolling through them as fast as I can. So make the absolute bare minimum to get out, to get to my 80K. So with profit limits, it's just because you have consistency, right? With Tradeify straight to funded, you just need to make little bits at the end to get your payouts. So based on the active consistency of the accounts, I'm actually just rolling forward to payout. I trade 5 Tradeify accounts, and then the rest are fun and next. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my Halloween costume for Rants. Giveaway Bonanza. Down. Set. Hut. All right. We're good, baby. We're back. I would do the eye black, but I know I wish I had a Tony Romo jersey, but I don't. That'd be much better. So I would do it, but then my glasses would smear all over it. I'd ruin my glasses. All right. I know I'm wearing a very scary Halloween costume. Let's go, Brandon. LOL. Happy Halloween, guys. One second. All right. Aussie rules football. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, and I mean, it's giveaway Bonanza time, guys. So you know how it goes. Happy Halloween. Baggy of flour, LOL. Slightly uncoordinated Matt. You know, Matt used to be a quarterback when he played football. Y'all don't know that when I was in Little League. When I was a kid. I sound like Uncle Rico though. Man, in my glory days, I could throw a pigskin quarter mile. Back when I was like 11 years old, boy, I was a quarterback. You would never believe. I could throw that ball like 5 yards. Ooh. Back in the day, I played football all the way up till high school. I was quarterback. That's correct. That's absolutely correct. I didn't play in high school. I took the path of being, you know, the other side of the whirly. The guy that got put into the toilet, not the guy that put the nerd in the toilet. So, you know. Back when I left for Brad Carlson Nickel. Al Bundy. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Polk guy. Dude, that would be so great if I would love to do that one year for a Halloween costume. Just be like Polk High and see who gets the joke. Al Bundy jersey. Oh yeah. How much you bet I want to throw a football over that scooter over there. Whew. And also, you guys might not notice this, but I have these like Dallas Cowboy pajama pants. Check it out. Oh. They're not even real pants. They're like pajama pants. I don't think anybody's gonna notice. But I think, you know, it doesn't matter. Nobody's gonna notice me anyway. It's gonna be hanging out with like 8 hot Dallas Cowboy cheerleader chicks. So whatever. I'll just be quietly standing in the background. You finally passed the MFU that you want today. Let's go. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, guys. Today, be looking for a couple things. Number one. We have really little news today. Chicago PMI is not really that much of a mover usually. We have been running all over the place due to earnings and due to, you know, the Fed's commentary. We are back at a really weird spot again, just like we were last month. Pixar didn't happen. Oh, I'll show you pics. You better believe it. Just like last month, we're sitting here above VIX Contango midpoint. Let me tell you guys about Contango midpoint. When VIX is in Contango, when you roll over to a new month, you just draw a line in the middle between the two contracts. The open of the Globex in November and the close of the Globex in October. So as you roll over the halfway point, if you're bouncing above the halfway point, something very interesting happens. And we have a handout for this, and I'll show you guys the handout. You adjust your position based on volatility. Now, this level is extremely important. This is the handout. You guys are actually going to have this bootcamp class on Monday because there's no class today. When you are below that Contango midpoint, the daily range is nice and tight, you know, less than a risk interval, and you're good. When you're above that triple B, the market is extremely sensitive to news. This is what it basically says. Above, we call it triple B, but the Contango midpoint is what it's called. Well, Contango backwardation midpoint tells how sensitive the S&P will be to news events and catalysts, while liquidity maps detail the entries and exits. An exit high volume can be. The state of the VIX dictates how the S&P will move and modify how you enter positions. In a normal bullish environment like we've had last couple of days, pivots are going to be tight. You're going to hit your pivot, very little overshoot, and a nice little bell curve sort of volume distribution. This is pretty normal. VIX above triple B, what ends up happening is that you can undershoot your pivot and overshoot your pivot, which is my last night's trade, undershooting the pivot, getting in a little early. Because VIX is above triple B again, you kind of have to wing it a little bit to enter and enter again and enter again to build a cost basis around it. You also will have like this like asymmetric volume distribution. Not a nice clean bell curve like this, but sporadic choppy volume because you've underpriced volatility and therefore you're actually realizing a little bit of illiquidity, which means it's gonna be choppy mess. So the way you handle it is that I enter before, after, and below right near my stop. I build a position around the pivot rather than enter at the pivot itself like it would in a normal market. That makes sense? All right, so last night I longed on the undershoot because it was just stalling, and I said, let me just take a taste of this. And we're kind of there again. We had that day yesterday that popped us above, but we're right on the edge again. And hopefully we're back down below here, but anything can happen. Ever since Monday, we've been leading up in the Fed, and the market's been picking up a little bit of extra volatility again. But now that Trump and Chinese officials will come up with this, like we'll probably have this deal thing coming out. We have a plan to make a plan to sign, a plan to hire a guy to write a thing, to maybe sign it at a point in time. We're still going through ChatGPT to make out the agreement. Maybe, we don't know. This is where we are with it. It's just, you know, it's as final as Half-Life 3. Let's just be real. This shit ain't coming out. So we don't know what's going to happen. And let's just pretend like we're going to trade it accordingly. Seriously, GTA 6 will come out before they sign that fucking agreement, I'm sure. And we'll be good. So right here, triple B, we're sitting on the edge again. We're going to have the same kind of thing. Spontaneous volatility, market's trucking along, sudden red line, red candle jump in kind of thing. That's what I'm looking for. We have long ups on all the bull maps today, on the liquidity maps today. All bull maps. Why not enter under the pivot? Yes, I do all of it. So I enter before, below, and near my stop. So the idea is when you're there, you have to be it's a little trickier, right? Under the pivot means wherever you see it sort of stalling might be it. This time, it was actually stalling like 10 points below, and I made a judgment call. I was like, well, let me take it. And if it dives, I'll just really bury it. I wanted to grab 10 contracts. Trust me, I did, more than anything. Long in 2 of these accounts. I wanted to wake up with 40 grand today. That's what I wanted. And when it fell and when it stalled, I was like, we're undershooting like 12 points. It could still keep going. Let me throw some teasers at it. And I did. On NASDAQ, sorry. Which was here. And that's all I did. And what I was going to do is by proxy use S&P as the guide. So I didn't want, NASDAQ wasn't going to fall, 80 points overnight, but the S&P could have fallen 12 points at least. And I was like, okay, let me get in. And if S&P falls to its own pivot, I'll just smash a few more and smash a few more. I'm going to long all the way through here. Matt has a new shirt. Finally a new shirt. It's been a while, right? I don't have that many new shirts. So guys, I am currently the world record holder for the Fund Index largest payout ever. In theory, asterisk, when I get the payout. Now I could just, like I said, I could just sit here and count down the days until I get paid out, walk away with a cool $280,000 and just flip the account for $100 every day. But what fun would that be, right? Current world record holder is 155,000 and I'm almost doubled that. See, I don't just want the world record. Oh, that's easy. I want the world record to be so big, nobody can take it from me. So I'm gonna try to go as hard as I can, and on day 30, I'll take out all of it, whatever I can do. I'm also racing a clock because I know their live program is coming out. I mean, their live program is coming out. They're capping payouts to $100,000 lifetime max. So I'm kind of like, I can go as far as I can until I know the live is coming out, and I'm gonna grab the payout before it. So that's the thing. That's the thing I'm thinking about right now, is they better not pop that 100,000 lifetime max before my 30th trading day. Do I know when live is coming out? They don't know when live is coming out. That's the thing. I've known live was coming out since probably June. They added it to their FAQ. They've been asking questions about it. I've actually been consulting them on live programs, helping them understand what live programs are like in the United States. I had a meeting with their executives about it over 2 months ago. They were like, so we have a question about live accounts in the US. And we know you run a platform and you're like probably one of the biggest, base in the prop space with like large customer base. And you guys, a lot of y'all are live. What are your live experiences are with your customers? What are they like? Basically, and I had a meeting with all of them and just kind of gave them my feedback. I'm like, yeah, we want to make a live program. It's in the works. We're trying to get everything, situated. You have to go through all your approvals and all that stuff and get approved with the broker and all that. And so there's a lot of work to it. And that was back then. And then now, it's in the FAQ, but it's not out yet. So it's coming soon. Day 29, strategic place for the announcement. Oh, yeah. But why waiting for the payment? Are they supposed to pay in 24 hours? No. So, okay. So less than 30 active trading days in the account, you can only take out half the balance. So I'd only get 140, which will be less than the world record, which is 155. At day 30, I can take out the whole thing. Where do I put your stop? One strike under the level in question? Yes. So like had I had this trade fallen, my stop would have been way down there. I would have taken a huge loss had it dipped. But I would have doubled in and got the long side there. Yeah. Done for the day. My fund and futures day 6 in profit. Casper, hell yeah, dude. Overnight's gonna be just above half gap. Yeah, pretty much, right? 2 pivots are gonna line up. That's a good observation. Overnight, blue hedge pressure is gonna be just above or just about half gap. So it's gonna be pretty strong as long as the resilience is good. Nice B plus setup mixed with the A setup at blue. Half gap is gonna be a really strong pivot today. So if we do turn around and pull back, we may have Chicago PMI, but that's not really gonna be that big of a mover. If the market somehow comes to here, that's gonna be a fantastic entry because half gap will be pretty much there as well if you do the halfway point between there and open. This is a pretty big gap up. My initial thought is the market's going to open up and start pulling back a little bit. Try to pull back a little bit, but I don't think it's going to get far. I don't think we're going to lose key 26,000 level today. I don't think we're going to lose 6880 today. I think we're sort of going to hold these areas. I'd be very surprised if this opened up and just kept going. But I'm not bearish this market at all whatsoever. It's just the volatility is there. When I know the volatility is there, I'm just going to wait. Let the market truck along, give me the dip I want and jump in, right? I don't think we're going to have a day like yesterday, but we're going to have some volatility for sure. All right. Happy Halloween, everybody. Today is giveaway Bonanza. I forgot. Shit. Y'all ruined my plans of advertising the damn thing. I was like, you guys have to sign up for the Ninja Trader Arena Cup or I won't do a giveaway today. Oh, I won't do giveaway Bonanza today then. How about that? Why do so many of the prop firms operate out of the UAE? They don't, I don't know if they operate out of the UAE. That's just where they have an office. Fund and Next home office is in Bangladesh, I believe. One of their offices in UAE. That I don't know. Maybe it's just because that's who starts the prop firms. I don't know. Love the jersey. Thank you. We're ready to go. We're ready to go to the... Yeah, let's just face it. We're going to get last place this year. But I love my Cowboys. Actually second. But, you know, it's not far. We're not far from last. Anything could happen. Go Eagles. Yeah. Ain't no way we're beating the Eagles, that's for sure. The Eagles are about like 6-2 right now. 5-3, 6-2, something like that. Somebody says, go sports. Oh, trust me, dude. In NFC East, it's like neck and neck for last place. So trust me, we're not far from getting it. Almost beat the Eagles. Yeah, but almost. I know, but still, almost only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades, as my geometry teacher used to say. Can you explain the 3 types of Tradeify accounts and which is the best? Very simple. The best one at Tradeify is the direct to funded. That's all the other ones at Tradeify are good, but all the other ones at Tradeify aren't the best of the class. I would like rank Tradeify in my top 10 prop firms. The direct to funded, each individual account, the direct to funded is best in class, probably, for all direct to fundeds. And that's the one I trade. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty consistent. It's immediate payout approvals. I mean, it's nice. The end of the day drawdown is simple. End of the day drawdown accounts, very similar to Fund and Next, very similar to my funded futures, except those two just have better stats or better price, hands down. So Tradeify, I would rank in like the top 5 as far as like end of the day drawdown accounts. It's good, but it's just not the best. You might as well go Fund and Next or buy funded for those types. They have an advanced account, which is the trailing drawdown type of account. Your drawdown trails with you. So in challenges, trailing drawdown is the cheapest one. End of the day is the medium. Direct to funded is the highest price one. Tradeify's advanced, the last one I was talking about, is their trailing drawdown type. It's like the cheaper account. Drawdown trails with you intraday. And I'd rank it barely in the top 10 because TPT, even Apex, comes in slightly better than Tradeify's as far as like how much drawdown you get and payout structure and all that stuff. So like in all honesty, Tradeify is a great firm, but their direct to funded is just untouchable. Direct to funded, like ETF has one and Tradeify has one. Those are the top 2 out there, in my opinion. So if you're doing anybody says, what should I do at Tradeify? I always say direct to funded. That's the only one I touch. If I want to try, like, oh, market's opening in a couple seconds. If I want to try the growth, it's really good. And the advance is also really good. But I would say that, you know, being honest with you, because I work with all the firms, if you want that end of the day drawdown experience, Fund and Next, man, buy funded futures. They're going to be better value for sure. And if you want the advanced to Tradeify, TPT will be your better experience with that kind of account. And it's only trailing drawdown once funded. It's actually end of the day, the first part of it. So even better. And then ETFs, the one step is a lot cheaper. Lucid also has direct to funded. Yeah, Lucid sort of came in copying pretty much Tradeify's model. Just Lucid's gonna be very similar to Tradeify, which is good. Not saying that copying in a bad way, but like when you put them side by side, they're very, very, very similar. Lucid and Tradeify are. So that's correct. Yeah, Lucid, I hear good things about Lucid too. So 20% consistency from Lucid is bad. Yeah, I mean that's Tradeify's consistency on their direct to funded as well. Like I said, Lucid just sort of like looks like Tradeify on paper. What am I doing this weekend? I'm going to a party tonight, a Beetlejuice themed Halloween party that we put together, and iDoc and her friends have like been building up this like set to look like Beetlejuice. This is really nice looking. It looks like you're in like the netherworld or wherever where Beetlejuice was, like when he was dead, you know, or when they were all dead. It's all crooked lines and doors that look like this, and pretty neat. And I'm going to a party. It's going to be iDoc and like 7 of her friends, 6 or 7 friends. So like this, just like, you know, crew of hot Vietnamese chick Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders, and then of course the quarterback himself. Who gets the girl? The quarterback does. The nerdy math guy gets the girl, and all the husbands and all the boyfriends are all going to be like, you know, supporting cast members for the girl group. So they're going to be like, one of her friends' husbands is going to be like the referee. I'm going to be the quarterback. So we're all basically dressing up like the Cowboys. The offensive linemen actually get the girls. Oh heck yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go, guys. Market's opening. Resilience is decent. We're fine. Slight little dip. The 1A trade off the open, which is the usual one that I can take. 1A trade to DD band. That is one specific setup I can do. Small trade only. I'm not going to take it just yet. Instead, we're going to wait. Hold on that. I need to load up here. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, let's chill. Resilience is good at 50. Resilience is good at 40. I could take maybe a small long here on the breakout. Perfect. Oh, hell yes. All right, baby. Okay, undershoots at bull zone, overshoots at bear zone. Let's go. All right, this is gonna be a pretty solid day. Get my pencil tool if I can mark. Come on. Here is good. Here is good. Here is stop. A bump at EST every single time. Even with positive res, it's a good support at bull zone. Let's tap it once on the undershoot. Let's tap it once on the undershoot. And let's get ready to smash it hard at the pocket. Taking small undershoot trade, just one contract. I'm going to hit it hard right at the pocket. So undershoot here, overshoot, stop. Okay, let's grab this one. Bump, bump, bump. I only have long in 2 contracts. There's the first. There's another undershoot play. All right, let me add some contracts there. Undershoot play. I'm long in 3 of these accounts now, and I'm gonna take long in some of these micros here. I mean, some of these not micros. These evals here. Adding one more at that. Resilience is 9 and 25 on Nasdaq. Not so bad. EST every single time. Yeah, baby. What's the seller account on the Funded Next, Umar? The best accounts on Funded Next, they're both good. I mean, the Legacy is for big uncapped payouts. The Rapids are for ooh, res just went negative though. Oh no. Oh no. On positive res, say there. Nasdaq's like sun off pretty hard right now. Big sub triple B's. Be very careful today, guys. Be very careful. Oh boy, it's gonna get gross pretty quick. Be very careful. Today's not a big old sell off. They don't think it will be, but it's going to be as straightforward as I want it to be. Res is okay. A plus at bull zone, A plus at bear zone top. So I got A plus here with confluence and DD ratio 72. I got A plus here set up bear zone top right there. And of course, I'll just stop right here underneath that. Keeping it light. I just got 2 contracts each, nothing like super crazy or anything. And if we take a dip, I'm gonna hit that pocket just like yesterday. I'm gonna dig into it. Keeping it light, keeping it small. I'm only long in 3 of my serious accounts. That's it. Just small. Entry position, just in case it bounces. Resiliences are good enough to bounce, but we'll see. We fall to this halfway point. This is the solid pivot that I do want to see here. That's why I'm going to smash it really hard. So entry position, just something tiny. I always let you guys see the first entry. Keep it nice and light. I'm going to be very patient. I'm going to smash it pretty hard down here. Bull zone bottom, EST every single time. Negative 8.6 resilience. So you have a fighting pressure to try to fill the gap, but you have liquidity pocket trying to hold it plus volatility. This could very well dump to there, but we'll see. I just added 4 contracts to one of my accounts here. Right here on the edge. This is entry part number 2. Let her rip. Am I confident this is going to hold? Yes. Am I confident it's not going to dip very quick and put some big drawdown on the account? No. Very much can draw me down pretty fast, but I'm going to hopefully hold it at bear zone top. First trade back up to open. This is going to be a probably almost 1-to-1-ish scalp. Bum, 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 bum. Ow, I can't headbang today, guys. I have this weird crick in my neck, dude. It's been there since yesterday. I noticed it when I was trying to play Apex. I was sitting there and I was like turning my head. I was like, ow. It hurts like really bad, dude. I need like a heat pack. I think I've been headbanging too much. I've been winning too much. Winning too many trades. I overdid it. Do I play ranked? Yes, sir. I've been trying to grind out diamond this season. I'm literally like 200 RP away from diamond 4, so. Where we belong. I play with like four or 5 different friends. 3 of them are Preds. They're all Masters Preds. I'm the only one that's diamond. But I haven't been able to get diamond. I've been so unlucky the last week. I've been sitting there like 2 games away from diamond for like a week. You can't get past plat. Plat's tough. Well, plat becomes tough because you start getting into diamond lobbies. That's why. And diamond players are just as good as pred players. Pred players just play sweatier and have more teamwork. If you can make it to plat, you're pretty decent. Because you're fighting like really talented players in lobbies. Do I stream Apex? I don't. You wouldn't want to watch me play Apex. I'm good, but I'm like average good. Oh, guys, by the way, Battlefield 6 now has Battle Royale mode. So like, the reason I'm trying to get diamond because I just want to get it this season and then stop playing Apex because I'm really wanting to like dive into Battlefield 6 Battle Royale. I played 1 game of that last night just to check it out. It's just like freaking Warzone. It feels exactly the same, just with Battlefield mechanics. Like I was shooting airplanes down out of the sky during Warzone. It actually was exactly the same, other than a few Battlefield-ish mechanics. No, it was like no different. And I liked it. It actually was pretty nice. Is it full of bots? I'm sure it's like full of bots, dude. 100%. But I just want to play like regular Battlefield 6. I like to play breakthrough. That's like my favorite game type. All right, resilience is doing okay. It's somewhat deteriorated on NASDAQ, but hopefully it'll be fine. A plus, first entry point. A plus, second entry point. Let's keep it light. Come on, come on, come on. All right, this is entry part number 1. This is entry point number 2. And stop will be right on the other side of bull zone with a little subjectivity. I'll start trimming in case it drops. That's it. So let's hold that bull zone bottom. Is this market trying to sell off today? Hopefully not. But we have strong A pivots. All like this big cluster of S&P is probably going to hold. Come on. Don't die today, market. Not today, baby. Yeah, not today. Let's be a good Halloween. Guys, smash the like button. Do me a favor, friends. Give away Bonanza. We're giving away, I forgot, 100 prop accounts today. I think 100. I need to count.
Rockets fast, scooters slow. Will we bounce?
Let me count how many I have left. I forgot. Hold on. Shit, I'm not even giving away the ones I wanted to. Okay. We have 1 ETF, 3 Tradeifys, 6 and 4 is 10. Hold on, let me write this down. Hold on. Come on. 10. How many ETFs have I done for the extras? For the 300 I'm doing. Okay, hold on, wait. 18. 150. I have 150 my funded futures of the 300 to give away. I still have 150 of these. Oh, dude, it's gonna be great. All right. You guys, I want to see y'all sign up for that Ninja Trader Arena Cup, so I'll do some fast giveaways for y'all. Oh shit, I didn't give away any futures desks this month. I have 8 of those. Holy crap. What else do I have? Whoosh fan on the screen. How many have I done for Fund and Next? All right. I forgot to rule what I did with Fund and Next. Okay, I think we're tapped out on that. Already given up over 100 Fund and Next accounts this month. What else do I have? Shit, I got 170 accounts to give away. What the hell? Well, that's good to know. Ow, dude, my fucking neck hurts. Dude, it hurts so much. Think it's going to previous day's low? Maybe. I think we're gonna tap out here. But even if we don't, then you're right. Then I just stop out and take a loss and walk away. Give it a light. A+, second setup. This account was up. The funny thing, this one was up $1,300 earlier, so this one is down 500 now. Ow. Fucking neck hurts, man. I'm just keeping it light to hold through any kind of small drawdowns here. All right. Perhaps don't lie. All right, let's go. This is a little tough though. I shouldn't have done 2, man. I really should have just done, do you know, I just want to do 2, to be honest, on this one. Okay. Ow. God, my fucking head hurts. Ugh. All right, there's the pivot on S&P. Let's bounce it. No crash today, market. Let me let the overshoot and then I'll add a little bit more. All right. Let's check in on our buddy Dave here.
Hi, my name is Dave.
And I caught the dip again.
I thought it was,
But it was the low. It was just another wick.
another wick. Saw it on the 5-minute, heart skipped a beat, formed a little hammer, looked kind of neat. No confirmation, no real bias, but I hit long. Now I'm red in the face. Saw it was thin, tape was slow, but something inside said, bro, just go.
And I'm trying to get in faster.
Dumped on me, should've waited.
Waiting for the MHP. Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous. We buy the blood and pray it's bottomish. Got liquidated. Come on, baby. No sell-off today. No, 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 no. None of this. Hang in there. Let me just clean my chart here. Oh, that's rough. Oh, no. No, none of this. No. No, 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 no. No, none of that. No!
My will is thin, but this next one's gotta win. Right! Welcome to
Ow, dude, my neck is killing me. I need a heat pack or something.
we fight the flow, ignore the signs, then cry in group when we cross the lines. Charts are red, my soul is too. Accounts in drawdown, deja vu.
It's getting pretty nasty here. This like selling pressure is really hard. Let's see if it hooks.
Catching knives till everything is Hi, I'm Dave,
I caught
and I
the
caught the dip
again.
again.
All right. LP. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
It started with a solid play. Sky was looking then a breeze rolled in out of nowhere it ran. Blazing up the charts came the whoosh fan. Glows a little neon hums, a steady tone blows across the floor and into every home. Wall Street trembles, screens light up again. Green candles dancing, thank the whoosh fan. Whoosh fan blowing high, never low, turning red to green with that mystical flow. One spin,
Come on.
starts to fly,
Get back in the bull zone. That's all we need today.
and nobody knows why.
Damn, dude. There's some selling pressure today. You could feel it.
But you don't stand a chance.
If we lose this pocket, there's really not much left to trade. That's the sad part. Not much, especially with negative res. If we lose this pocket, it's really nasty. This IP could drop very quick. If we lose 26,100, it's another 200 point drop. Come on. Whoosh fan. Come on, come on. 10 more minutes of this. Let's run that 9 o'clock candle up. Nine o'clock candle roll up in a couple minutes here. This will be the Halloween Friday sell-off crash day. I'm not liking how it's not doing much. S&P, save us S&P. That's failing liquidity pockets too. All right, trying to. Dude, I need like, seriously, I need like a microwave heat pack. It's today the day it dies. I'm gonna trim down the 2 real quick, just in case it overshoots one more time. I'm gonna keep my risk lower. Hang in there. All right, guys, we're feeling it. Ow. Man, Nasdaq is what's getting sold really hard. The S&P is doing slightly better, but Nasdaq is just not picking up a little bit of a bid. Let me check some of these stocks real quick to make sure that I have some confidence at the bottom here. Nvidia doesn't have any support. Apple has lost support. Microsoft is losing support. That's really what it is. Man, that tech is getting brutalized today, man. This is looking really bad. Oh. And tech is just getting pulverized. That's what it is on NASDAQ. Problem is Nvidia doesn't have a support for a while. Just the open itself. This. Yeah, that VIX is looking pretty nasty. Not nasty, but like, it's not great. It's been sitting above triple B, and it's not dying out, which is what we want to see. We want to see VIX below 18.6. That'd be the key level today. VIX 102. I mean, it's just not playing ball today. This is not making me happy. Ooh. 7 minutes, man. No, just the 8 o'clock candle. Give us the 9 o'clock. Give us the good 9 o'clock, baby. 9 o'clock to rally. Let's go. Dude, these wicks suck. This really sucks. It is trying to move and it is not moving. Oh my god. All right, just let that pressure off. Let's just get the pop, baby. Come on, just the pop. This, like, you see how it's trying to hold? It's not holding. This is not what you like seeing here. Now, volatility, I mean, it can get pretty quick. Oh. My fucking neck hurts so bad. Oh. That's the candle I want to see. All right. And then
Climb the mountain high, pivot points. Mapping out the peaks and joints. Resilience in the market sway. Find your path, don't delay. Rocket scooter takes the stage. Map the math whiz turns the page. Liquidity maps show the flow. Navigate the highs and lows. Rocket scooter gotta ride the wave. From the chaos find the brave. Blind monkey, swing the line. Grab your chance, it's trading time. MHP leads the charge. In the chaos we enlarge. Strategies that never tire. Into orbit we aspire. Mathematician, genius aim. Breaking through the market game. Rocket scooters cutting edge.
dude, this is just scary looking, guys. I don't know. And weekly res is negative too, so I should be hitting this like slightly lighter-ish.
From the chaos find the brave.
That's unusual, man. Ow.
Monkey, swing
Very unusual pattern here.
grab your chance, it's trading time.
3 more minutes of this. Come on, go to the new candle, and the new candle can just be green. That's all I want to see. The new hourly candle. Let's slip to the hour. Survive this. If we lose this, I don't have any other really good setup ideas other than the bear zone top. That's it. That's it. This is the only trade setup I've got today. Other than that, I don't really have anything other than just to get out of the way until it has the next cluster. So if the S&P falls another 30 points, then... Dude, I took a spill. I don't know if you can see my arm right here. I took a spill yesterday moving stuff in the backyard. I tripped over some boxes, bro, and I fell and I like scraped my arm up. Let's see on this one here. Boom. All right. And I've thrown all of our good luck songs at this, and the market is not liking it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ow. All right, I will give away 100 prop accounts today on this channel. Let's wait to get out of the fucking hole here, and then I'll focus on the giveaway in a little bit. Hold that pocket, baby. Baby, hold that pocket. Let's go. Oh. Come on, hold that pocket. I've thrown every good luck. Well, you know what we haven't done? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. We have one more song. One more song we can utilize. The one that matters. The one that always rescues the market. We only bring this out when absolutely necessary. Keith's the song with magic powers. This is the one.
The price is taking flight. Day traders sweating through the night.
Oh man, that's getting pretty violent here. All right, hours shifted over. Come on, market. Don't make today be the day that just breaks everybody's heart. Let's end Halloween with a bang. New hour flipped. Problem is a lot of the big stocks don't really have supports underneath. The one part that really sucks is that Apple, Nvidia, these things are actually breaking key supports, and there's not a lot underneath them. So this could be a pretty big sell-off event if this does capsize through here. Now we're consolidating below bear zone bottom, but man, I kind of get back up there, man. Just get back up there quick. This is not looking too hot. Hang in there. Come on, get that hedging pressure. Get that bear zone bottom. Get it both. Bears on top. Come on. Overshoot's not the best. You get that usually when VIX is above, continuing a midpoint. Overshoots are common. You're usually just holding your breath right here with your finger on the button. Save us, Keith. Save us, Keith. Come on, just give me the green. Give me the green to there. 160, let's go.
Price is taking flight. Day traders sweating through the night.
25.9 is how far it will go if it falls. It's another, if we lose 26.1, it's 200 points of fall. There's nothing underneath it. What Gamma's saying is right. That's about where it's gonna fall if it does fall.
Candlesticks dance, the screen's alive. A bull or bear, who'll survive?
Man, I am just.
Fingers twitching, bets collide. The fan keeps blowing, no place to hide. One more trade, the stakes are steep. Pre-sow, or losses to reap. Bush fan blow it up, blow it high.
This might have to be a take a loss and then hit it later for a reclaim. Here's the dip. Hit that half gap S&P. Resilience is somewhat better on S&P. This might actually hold. Good lordy. I'm gonna trim my risk down to 1. Trim back down to 1. I'll get it back on the reclaim, and right at the overshoot, which is about where my stop is right about 60. Oh. That's my stop is gonna be right here at about 60. I'll pull the plug on the whole thing. No. I'm back long on the reclaim. Which one is this one? Okay. Do we have any more songs to throw at this? It's not liking our music today. All right, that's the sweep candle. We should be good, hopefully. Oh my God. No matter how bad of a like market sell-off crazy day it is, this has absolutely made my day. This has absolutely made my day. This is fucking hilarious. All right. Like I said, I'm going to buy this from whoever makes this. This is hilarious. Oh, this is fucking hilarious. Okay. I love you guys. Bro, that is so funny. Like, you honestly have made my day with that. Yes. Oh my God. I will buy it from you. Yes. Like, name your price. Like, literally. Is it robotic mat? Oh, hold on. Let me do this really quick. Yo, is it better? Ow. Is it better? Sorry about that. I'm a little sad that we're not getting some movement here. The overshoot reclaim is good. That's pretty good. Let's hold above. Can we do that? Back in at 2 on the reclaim. Keith's song did it. It just had a delay of a minute. Appreciate you, Keith. Ow. All right. You guys know Giveaway Bonanza is one of our favorite events of the year. And exactly 11 o'clock, I will be giving away one lifetime Rocket Scooter membership. If you have used our code to buy $1,000 total of prop accounts just this month with any of our partners, remember, we're going to check and verify. You can enter for a drawing for free lifetime Rocket Scooter. We do this once a month. It's on the last day of the month. It's one of our favorite things to do. It's called Giveaway Bonanza. And we give away all the remaining prop accounts that we haven't given away yet for the rest of the for the month. Like with our prop partners, we give about 1,000 accounts away every month, and at the end of the month, whatever's left over, we give it all away the last day. Was it the Lance Gnome that did it? Oh man, look, this red candle coming out of nowhere. Stop with the red candle. Oh my word. Yeah, if you guys make me that garden gnome, listen, I'll pay for whatever. Shipping may not be ideal. I've got like this artwork I have, these skull artwork was shipped from an artist in London. So I've shipped things overseas before. If you guys are gonna ship anything or whatever, I buy it for you, I'll pay for everything. Don't even worry about the cost of shipping. If it costs $1,000 to ship me, I don't care. That garden gnome will be in my garden. I will look at that every single day after a trading day. I will go over there. Just make sure the shirt says 100 mil on it. If you can't. Well, no, never mind. I kind of like the actual garden gnome shirt. Never mind. Don't even have a shirt that says 100 mil. Just the way that it's designed. The one the Futures Trader 420 did. I love it. With like the fucking, like literally he just looks like he walked out of the Shire. You got to have the belt and the tunic and all that stuff. And then the boots. Yeah, let's go. Make a gnome operating. All right, this is, as much as I was happy to see a rescue candle here, it's starting to, it's really, this day's starting to get a little crazy. Hopefully it chops and holds, but this amount of low consolidation is worrying me because we don't have any good bounce points in any of the big stocks. Now, as Nvidia hit half gap, which is good. Apple, nothing. That's one of the crappy parts. Apple losing MHP and dumping is not good. We need Apple. We need some of the bigger stocks holding these key pivots. Amazon, same thing. It's nothing to bounce off of. Microsoft has got nothing to bounce off of, right? Everything's sort of just like in a weird spot. Tesla, looking great today. Google, same thing. Like you're just essentially rejecting monthly hedge pressure and dumping pretty quick. So this can turn into one of those days, and that's kind of what's worrying me. Yeah, one of those days it just breaks through pivot and falls. The rare days that happens, this could be that kind of a day. So S&P has nothing until these clusters down here, like sitting out for another 30 points. Yeah. You pickle the whiz on it. Heck yeah, boys. Okay. Let's start off here. I can't even turn my neck. Oh, ooh, it hurts. That's not what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Where's the old spinny wheel? Oh, there it is. Hold on. Ow. Look. All right. We're going to start off fun today with the very first giveaway, as we do every single time we give away Bonanza. Give away one of ETF's brand new 10K, $57 all-in accounts for giveaway Bonanza. You guys hang tight. Type ETF in chat.
Well, the charts went silent in the midday sun. Matt kicked open the saloon, yelling free stuff, son. He's got prop firm bounties in a burlap sack and a boot camp lasso slung across his back. Yippee-ki-yay, it's a giveaway bonanza. Rocket scooter master in up a stanza with a cowboy hat.
Can't see, it's too high on my face. It's giveaway bonanza! Howdy, partner. I'm the fastest money gun in the West. Fucking trade, stop going down today. Oh my god. All right, partner. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm not liking this trade today, partners. Listen, sir. This is the Wild West. Something society meeting. Bandana helps keep the sand out of my mouth when I'm wrestling cattle. See, down here in the Old West, we have a saying. Steers and I know about two things: steers and trading. And I'm all out of steer. Oh god, batteries fell out of this thing. I'm a wreck today. Hold on. All right, folks. ETF, $57 all in, 10K account. End of the day drawdown, cheap value account, one of the cheapest accounts in business now. I'm gonna give away one of these dirty outlaws in the stream. One of these damn HEF giveaway accounts. They're the favorites. ETF's great. Change their plans. Tons of new plans over there. See, where I come from, nothing wrong with the glow-in-the-dark cowboy disco hat with LED lights on it. Ain't nothing sissy about this. We gotta see each other in the dark. We do a lot of our cowboying in the dark. You know what I'm saying? Huntier. I think like today, cowboys make me have a lot of tears. You know what I'm saying? My trading's making me have a lot of tears today, but Huntier, you're the winner today. Congratulations. Congrats, buddy. Get your cow wrangling, yellow belly ass up here and claim. There you go. Claim your prize. Already good. Congratulations, sir. Draw. All right. Ain't nothing sissy about a disco ball cowboy hat. I'm a confident man. I can't breathe. This thing is covered in dust. I feel like it's been sitting here all day, all month, collecting dust. All right, hunt here. All right, good job. This is giveaway bonanza. This is 1 out of 100 counts for giveaway. Can't see the screen. Oh, sorry, Hunt's here. You're the winner. My bad. He won. That's all right. You can't see the screen. Oh, well, he won. He typed it. I said his name. You're good. All right, you don't need to see the screen. All right, we'll do another one in a second here. Hold on. I really should probably throw this thing in the washing machine. I feel like it's been sitting here collecting dust. I'm breathing in more dust than I'm blocking out. Hold on. I feel like this is something the girls will be wearing tonight for Halloween. It's like everything about this costume is like really nice, and you know, it's like me when I go to the games. But I think I walk in there with like a hat that looks like that. I feel like people were gonna be like, I probably get some dirty looks. I probably get nothing but dirty looks from everybody. Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's do one more thing. ETF is very awesome. This whole product they have here. It's really nice because in the value accounts, sub 100 accounts are like the new growing trend in props. So the idea that you're going to have the ability to have an account for like less than $100 is really nice. So it's a 10K, $2,000 drawdown. I'm sorry, $2,000 profit target. For $57. Really nice. Value counts are good. All right. Bear zone top. I don't want any tears today. That's really good. All right. My fun and futures. Next step. Giveaway bonanza. I'm going to give away 25 of these things right now 25 right now. 25, 25, 25. Cowpokes on, put yourself in. I stop breathing in all that dust. Put yourself in a is this backwards? This feels like it's backwards. No, this is certainly backwards. Okay. I have a real cowboy hat, but you know, it wouldn't be as fun. What's with the fucking string? Like, let's be real here. Like, you need a string on a fake cowboy hat? No. This is too much. What's going on with this? Get rid of the string. Let's make this look like less weird than it already is. You know what I'm saying? All right, hold on. See, I have a good frame for a cowboy. People always tell me I wear a cowboy hat, I look good. 25 My Fun and Futures scale accounts right now. Let's go. I gave away 315 of those this month. Pat Whelan gave me $10,000 after winning his contest. I gave the whole thing back to you guys. I made a deal with My Fun and Futures to sell me as many scale accounts as they could for $10,000. So I cut them a check for $10K. By the way, do me a favor. Everybody go to the link at the top of the chat. Ninja Trader Arena Cup. Let me plug that really quick. It is a contest with free entry. Everybody enter. I'm going to drop a hint to you. There are 220 slots left. Be one of them. It's free to enter. We get incentive bonus if we fill it up all the way, which means they might cut me a check, a big one. I will take the entire thing and again, buy prop accounts to give away to y'all. Everybody sign up. I promised them I would bring thousands of people to their doorstep, and we have almost done it. Like the BDH prize, whatever I get, I'm going to give it to y'all. That's how we roll here. We're doing this as a team. So anyways, enter that thing. It's 100. God, man, this fucking day sucks. I'm at wit's end with this market today. This is not looking good. All right. Let's go ahead and wait for that one. I'll take it on the reclaim. All right, I'm flattening my stuff out. I'm going to flatten. I'm tired of this. All right. Ow. All right, I'm out. Not this. Type in MFF in chat. I'm not gonna do this one anymore. I swear. Alrighty. If we spend some time and get back up there and reclaim, I'll jump on it again. Other than that, let's call it. Oh, we have impact red lines on S&P though. Hold up. Maybe not. So, as I've noticed, I forgot to take a look at this. Type in MFF in chat, guys. That was the impact red line from the other day, and we just broke through it. Or is that the run length? Hold on. Hit both of them. Okay. The impact was 68.71. That was the one. Ah, shoot. Yippee-ki-yay, it's a giveaway, Bonanza. Rocket scooter stirring up a stanza. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. All right. All right. Oh. Can we get some support here at 100? Let's see what we can get out of this one. All right. Ugh. We did have IRL there on S&P. Man, this market's interrupting the fun giveaway time. All right, type in MFF in chat. I'm giving away 20 50K scale accounts today. 20. Brown, 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 brown. Can I at least get the bull zone tap? All right, reclaim one fucking time. One more time. That's it. One more time on this account. This account doesn't have much tolerance on it before I hit my 4K loss on this one. Everything else is on that one is this is the only one I'm trading on this one. That's it. Just this one guy right there. All right. Reclaim one final time. No chop, no chop, no whammy. Y'all want to take it? Y'all want to take the risk? All right, let's take the risk. Come on. All right. Hold it. Wait, hold on. No, that's too close to the edge. Hold on. Or it's too much. 3. Actually, 3 is too much. Balls to the wall. Ooh, that's selling pressure though. Come on. All right, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop typing. That's it. Stop typing. Alrighty. Can I just get a break today? Can I just get a break today? Can we break the open and keep going today? Let's go. This one account is pissing me off. Let her rip, baby. Let's get back up to bull zone. That's all I want to see. All right. Okay. Winners today. FX Entropy, Mr. Delusional, Happy Chef, Sharka, HL, Faithful Melodies, Ravi, Champion, Nude Schwavaj, Mustafa, DFOX Trader 13, Zen Thoughts, Jerry C, F4 Market Edge, Galilee, S Shock, Headphones, JR, Cameron Fisher, Marcio Preza, Now Be Trades, Checkmark. That's it. Congrats. You guys are all winners of 50K scale account. Scale account is one of the best prop accounts, period, in the prop industry, period. Scale account allows you to get no DLL, no consistency. Once funded, my funded futures. I rank it and the Rapids with Funded Next are the 2 best prop accounts, period, you can get. CL account is $127. Before discount, we get a 10% discount off of that. It's 2 days to pass. Sorry, 3 days. 2 days to pass, 5 days of payout, and there's scaled payouts. Each time you get a payout, it gets bigger, 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 bigger. Congratulations. Congratulations, you guys. All right, let's pause for a little bit and watch this market. Is it going to die? Are we going to be okay? I don't even know. Oh, it stopped me out. I hit my fucking loss limit on this one. Lame. Oh, that sucks. Ow. It's just the only one there. Okay, hold on. Ow. Winners, I need you to go to the Discord, and link is in description below. I need you to go to the Conscious channel, look at an admin named Slacks, send him a message with a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Let him know that you won the account. He knows that it's you. Have an account with My Funded Futures and ETF already, and we'll make sure that we get you your account ASAP. He'll get it to you within a day or two. All right, we're gonna try all of these. No, these are all maxed out. Can't trade anymore. So that one is, let's see. Let's try this one. What the heck? That's not the one I want. This is the one I want. This one here. I can't trade anymore Tradeify, so that one's maxed out, unfortunately. I can still probably try to take a trade on it, but once I get my loss on it, I don't do anything else. So we'll see. Trying to hold that bull zone. Don't let bears on bottom. That Woosh fan. Come on, hang in there. Hang in there, baby. Right now, I'm going for like my last handful of payouts with Tradeify. That's where I'm going. I'm trying to get the payout. So I'm going to do everything I can to get there as fast as possible. I am, let me see how many payouts I have total. I need to get 80,000 total. Shit, it doesn't have the old site payouts on here? No way. Oh, it does. It does. All right. Oops. I am 3 payouts away from going live at Tradeify. Just 3. Just 3. Come on, let's run it. Now, that one Tradeify is down. All my rest of my Fund Index, I'm in, so I'm good on this one. Hopefully these guys can run. Oh, you know what I can do? I just need to get to live. Everything's gonna be forfeited anyways. I still want to trade. Why don't I just reset this one account and Tradeify? I don't even care about anymore. I just need 3 more payouts. It all goes away, so it doesn't even matter. I'm going to reset this one account. It's up like 40K. All right, hold on. Let me delete this account. It's up like 40K in profit. I'm going to delete the whole thing. Hold on. Just buy a new account. Oh, now I can keep trading. Good deal. So I need 3 more payouts and I go live. So everything gets flushed anyway. So why the hell not? Just in case. The other 4 can carry me to victory. Yeah, let's do that. Just delete that account. Buy a new one. Okay, that's what I'll do. I'm going to delete one of my accounts. Just get to the finish line here. I'm going to get some volatility today and trade this one. That way I can get... Hold on, wait. I can get there faster. Because if I'm down 4,000, I didn't make 600, 600, 600, 600, 600. That's 7 days just to get that back, plus another whatever days to pay out. So I start over, I can get there like 3 or 4 days faster. That makes a lot of sense. See what I'm saying? With consistency, when you only have to make 600 bucks per trade, and you just lost 4,000, no matter how hard your buffer is, I can only make it back in $600 a pop. So that's 7 days to spray back to normal. Unless I just YOLO trade it today. Just delete and start over. Ow. Oh. Because I just got 4 other accounts that are basically just gonna get the payouts in another week anyways. That way y'all can see some trading today too. Let me, okay, I'll do that. All right, P&L right now. Oh, I'm sorry, let me update. All right, hold on, let me do this one more time. All right, so that account is gone. New account is here. Let me load it up on a DOM real quick. And that one will be this one. Okay. All right, cool. Let's start that one over. Just that one. Total P&L right now. Let me get y'all the picture here really quick. Sorry, I haven't updated. I've been really kind of like up and down here. But so that one was down 4,000. Okay, this is the rest of them. Sorry about that. That was the rest of them. So this one I just deleted and started over. 3 payouts away. It's all going to go to fluff anyway, so I might as well just have one more account to play with. Everything else is good. One of my big accounts down 8, one of them up 2, one of them down 1,900. So I am still long in all the accounts. So we're seeing how this one goes. Get back bubble zone today. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. God, that was tough though, wasn't it? That was some really crazy decision making. I lost 2 Fund and X evals as well, by the way. The 2 of the evals busted, and that one Tradeify hit max drawdown. Everything else is okay. So remember, I bought a bunch of evals. They didn't make it either. And I was hitting those evals pretty hard here. The original entries, they didn't do so well. All right, good. 10 contracts long and all of these Fund and X accounts. Big ones. Hang in there. Hang in there. Do I reset evals? This, I'm just trying to buy as many of the Halloween evals as I can before the Halloween event ends. That was the thing there. Bro, this was like gripping. This shit today was like, there we go. Now I'm at the bull zone. Now let's go ahead and let's take profit on all of that, but runners. Bum, bum, bum. Cutting out the bull zone, holding some runners. We break bull zone, I'm back in. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Finish line it, Tradeify right now at the finish line. Oops, let me hit that one. Trim down to just a runner. All my 10s are down to 1 now. So all the ones that had 10, I have 1 contract long now. Just to hold through it. We break through. I'll push a little harder on this. I'll buy the liquidity pocket one more time. Resilience is good on S&P. Oh, that's really good looking on S&P. Okay, good. Dug out of the hole a little bit. Sorry about it. I'm not answering y'all's questions, Sam. I'm kind of busy like working this position out. Okay, so VIX above triple B. You guys got to handle your first day of seeing what buffer is like. I'm sorry, what overshoot is like. It was in and out, in and out, in and out. Took some heat. Still stuck to it, right? Still stuck to my guns there. All right. Let's get back above that bull zone. That'd be kind of nice. Resilience is negative on NASDAQ though. So the best I can hope for is a 200 gap fill, which would be kind of nice. We break through bull zone. I'm going to full 10 on one of them and maybe hold 2 or 3 on another one. So we'll see what I get. Let's get some runners right now. So my actual funded accounts are down for right now. Down-ish. So we'll see what happens there. All right. I need to make 3 more Tradeify payouts. That's it, and I go live. One hell of a ride there. Okay. We had that impact red line. If you guys remember, this is what gave me that confidence to not freak out too much. You guys remember your red line class, and we did these on the actual when we did the class. I drew these for y'all. Remember during the boot camp? I thought I did. No, not this one. Sorry, this one I drew yesterday. My bad. But I taught y'all when we did the class in the boot camp 2 boot camps ago. I taught y'all how to do that technique. There's that red line from yesterday. All right, I'm feeling pretty good about this. Fuck it. Let's roll it. Run it, baby. I'm back. I'm back. We open a bull side. I'm going to bet that we close on bull side. I'm back into the longs. I'm pushing it hard. Pushing it hard. Shit, Tradeify just fucking froze up. I hate when it does this shit. Hold on. It's gonna have some red candles off of this, so be very careful, you guys. Alrighty. I'm gonna try my best to get you guys some P&L updates. I'm active in all my big fat funded X accounts again. I'm digging out of the hole. I'm digging out of the hole here. Sorry, giveaway Bonanza just sort of like gets in the way here. Trading, giving away, having some fun. Oh boy, happy Halloween, everybody. Yeah, I was freaking out a little bit too. Oh, it was tough. Yeah, because the thing is that when the stocks didn't have a support underneath them, the problem was that when we lost the bigger stocks, there's no support underneath it. So there still isn't right now, right? And resilience is still not good on NASDAQ yet. It's still pretty negative-ish. So I'm kind of like counting my blessings here. At least SPY to retest the open. With positive res, SPY can at least go to the open. That's what I'm hoping for. We did bounce and overshoot half gap a little bit, but reclaimed. This was the thing, right? I longed, I trimmed, I longed, I stopped, I longed, I gave up. It felt like this, or it felt like this, then I gave up. Then it reclaimed, then I got back in, then I got the trade. Things are green now. A lot of trading comes down to, especially when VIX is above contango midpoint, comes down to the wire as to what happens at these liquidity pockets. It wants a hold, but it will overshoot a lot of the time, which is part of volatility. But it doesn't mean that the market's smooth sailing for a bull rally yet. Conditions aren't the best. They're not terrible anymore, but they're not the best. At least for now, for minimum, if I can get up to open and slightly higher, just to meet up with yesterday's trajectory of pushing up towards 220. 220 would be a fantastic profit target for me today if I can get it. Now I'm going to take the risk one more time, just like I took the risk here earlier. I'm taking the full risk here right now on some of these trades. That's it. I'm going to go all the way up to maybe 240, 260. This is my profit target. With negative resilience, though, I might not get there. I might trim down and hold just runners past open. Let's see how it goes. How? So that one Tradeify, now full disclosure, the one of the Tradeifys, it had like 30,000 or something of buffer. After that loss, I deleted it and started over so I can fresh account, just a new one to trade, just for fun. The other 4 accounts are going to get me to live anyways, so it'll be faster to get the payout if I just spend the $400 or whatever to get a new account. Digging out a $4,000 hole at $600 a pop, I don't have the account's wasted anyways. By the time I get to digging out of that hole, I would be live anyways. So that was an executive decision just so I can have another account to keep trading. All right. Or I can YOLO it today, but instead of doing that, I feel like I would just rather do something different. Because the way consistency works, right? You only need to make $600 per payout or per day. And if I hit, like usually if I'm down the hole that much, it doesn't make any sense to dig out tomorrow, the next day, the next day. My rule is when I lose 4,000 bucks, I'm done. So if I were to dig 600, 600, 600, 600 every single day, by the time it was even worth doing it, the other 3, I'm basically like, I'm like 2 days away from going live anyways. All these accounts are about to get deleted, so it doesn't even matter. Would like to see somebody trade this with a real live account. Yeah, tune in on Monday, because Monday I'm doing a $100,000 trading challenge with a random trading strategy trading challenge. So on Monday, I have $100,000 in a live account. You guys are get to choose when, and you get to pick a time frame. So randomly, the audience is going to decide a random time, like a 15-minute time window, and I have to execute a trade in that 15-minute time window. Yes. Woo! Green juice. Oh. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Hey, this looks good.
Thanks.
Okay, Prescott.
Thank you. Ooh, that's tasty. Thank you for the green juice. The random account challenge. See, I've done other challenges. I've done the million challenge on the stream. I've turned 10K to 100K. I've done many times. I've done 5K to 50K many times over the last 10 years. So if you want to see live trading, peaceful vibes, I'm the first live futures trader there ever was on YouTube in a real account 10 years ago. People forget that. Tradesway Matt, me, and Pat were the first 3 streamers on YouTube for futures in the history of YouTube. I was the first real account streamer, period. Back in the day, the other 2 were paper trading, by the way. Pat admits he got caught, but now he's trading props, right? So back in the day, my 2 boys, now Matt trades real account now for sure, but back in the day when we all got started, those 2 boys were paper trading. So I was the first real account on YouTube. So I like to take the claim to fame. I love those 2 boys too. They're good. They're good dudes. We helped build this industry for you guys on the prop side. This emerged from, the backbone of like the streamers and people that were publicizing futures. Back in the old days. These days, y'all are going to see me do what's called the random account challenge. The random account challenge is you guys are going to choose a random time, a 15-minute time window. I'm going to have a way to do it. And I might start that challenge a week after next week, because I got the Tradeify Cup and the Ninja Cup all at the same time. So I think the smarter thing would be to do is to delay my real account challenge till after those 2 tournaments are done. The real account challenge is I'll have 100K in the account. You guys will choose a random time window. I have to make a trade. I have to long, I have to short, I have to pick a trade. I don't get an A+ setup. I don't get to wait. I have to jump in and do something with the most terrible setup, worst efficiency ever. And I promise you, I will still not blow up that account and I will still probably make money. Randomly trading without my perfect trading strategy. This is what I'm going to prove to you guys. The risk management is all you need as a trader. I have to enter a trade within that window. Then once I'm entering in that trade, I'm going to hold to full stop. I'm going to go to full profit target. I can't just enter and exit. That's cheating. Like, I don't like to trade them enter and exit. I will enter a trade with full stop, with full reward, and I will choose the best I can do randomly, and I will still make money. I can trade one micro, Simon, if I choose to. That's also part of risk management. If you guys throw me absolute dog shit, I can choose to trade a micro. That's part of risk management, right? The idea is I'm thrown into something that I don't know, and I got to work my way out of it with the best of my abilities. And it's going to mimic what happens when you're in a trade and an event comes out, a catalyst comes out, and you have to do something. Yeah, I don't get to choose my position size. You guys could literally YOLO me to 0. But I'm simulating what happens when the market throws a massive curveball at you and you got to react very quickly. You're already in a trade. You got to come up with something on the fly. So then I got to come up with something on the fly. So the point is that if you guys throw me something that's absolute dog shit with terrible confluence, I'll just trade a micro. If you guys throw me something that I see a good trade, I'm going to get something. What I'm going to prove is that I have perfect control over my account. It's called the even if you try, you can't make me blow up trading strategy, which is to prove that you guys blow up your accounts because you let yourself blow up. People always say, well, like, are you going to blow up your account? And I'm like, I'm not going to blow up my account. And they're like, well, how do you know? Because I know I'm not going to blow up my account. But how do you know? Because I know I have perfect control over how much money I'm losing. But what if you blow up? I don't blow up. I never blow up. If I blow up, because I allowed myself to blow up. That's it. I bet too big. So I'm just not going to bet too big. But I can't enter and close immediately. I have to hold to full profit target and full stop loss target. So it's going to be at least 1-to-1 trade every time. I'm going to hold the whole way through. So the goal is I get to choose whether I long or short, and I get to choose the position size, and I lock in and I'm locked in. The goal is, even if you guys pick absolute dog shit for me, I'm not gonna blow up. So whatever it is, you know, you guys are working so hard to use like trading patterns and trading strategies and all this, and you're actually losing money over time. I'm gonna randomly attack the market when you guys tell me to do it and try to blow me up. I don't care. Pick a stupid time. And I don't get an A+ setup, and I will show you that even without my A+, some of you guys are like, smart money concepts, these are my A+ setups. I'll be trading fucking Z- setups and still making money. And you guys work so hard with your A+ to lose money, just to prove that all that matters is the size of the trade you have and having a risk management plan. That's all that matters. I'm not going to get flags, breakouts, confirmations, nothing. It will be a random time you guys choose at the beginning of the day. Trade mat at 2:10 p.m. Okay, so from 2:10 to 2:25, I have to enter a trade or I disqualify myself. And if it's dog shit, I trade it small. If it's great, I trade it big. Easy as that. Do I teach risk management in the course? Yeah, so what I'm going to do is actually demonstrate that risk management, even with proper risk management, I will lose less money than most of you guys using your A+ setups. To prove that it's not the setup that carries the trader. Sir. I was going to start this challenge on Monday. I'm going to decide to do it a week after Monday, because Monday's the Tradeify Cup, Monday's the Ninja Cup. So I got to do two trading contests in one time on Monday. That's going to be tough. And then managing the world record accounts, this is going to suck. I'm not lying. This is going to suck really bad. It's going to be a horrible pressure on that week. Get the world record and win 2 tournaments in 1 week. Jesus Christ, I'm putting myself through torture. Did I teach risk management in the boot camp? Absolutely. The boot camp is 100% risk management. Guys, those of you that have gone through the boot camp, can you describe your risk management to me after boot camp? How do you feel like your risk management, position control, entry efficiencies are after boot camp? Are you guys approaching markets very conservative, fixed since the boot camp? Nice to hear that. Night and day difference. Very cool. When you feel like you have good position and risk management, Do you feel better trading? Let's not think, don't, let me explain what that means. Not do you make more money? Do you lose less money? Don't think of your stats. Do you feel better trading? Do you feel like you have more control? Do you feel less pressure? Do you feel different? Are you less of an emotional wreck most days? That's the point. You feel calm, you feel confident. That's the difference. When you have good risk management, dude, you don't go, people like, Matt, when's the last time you go tilt? And I go, I don't go tilt. You know, that's crazy, right? And people are like, well, how's that even possible? When you have good risk management, the emotional dial, they're always there, right? Emotions are loud, emotions are crazy. But whenever you have good risk management, that dial, you turn it down to like a 1. Like the voice is always there, but the volume is like a 1. You don't hear it anymore. It's like a whisper. I don't go tilt. I'm not an emotional wreck. You guys feel different, right? I'm not asking if you're making money or you're not losing more money. You could still be losing money, but you feel different, right? Yeah, so control, right? And the control breeds confidence, and confidence breeds emotionless trading. If that's, I did my job, right? The boot camp is to drill you guys and drill that in your heads. So that when you approach the market, you're calmer, you're not freaking out, you're not spiraling out of control. And then once you have more control, then you've got a good framework to start building a strategy on top of it. Yeah, there you go. Good deal. I like hearing that, guys. Good deal. Is this market gonna be stupid again? I don't know if we're gonna get the V up. Are we gonna get the V up? I'm not really sure. Dropping that bull zone. The original trade I wanted. There's the test. Can we get a roll? Resiliences are positive. Hell yeah, resiliences are positive. Let's let her ride. Which one is this one? Oh, yeah, this one right here. So right now I've got one account with 5, one account with 10, and one account with 0, and another account with 0 on the payout on the big funded account, funded X world record account. So one of them's got 10, just in case we bump. The other one's got 5, just in case we bump, and I can add to it if it's there. And if we dip to there, I've got 2 accounts. I'll tap them with 10. Y'all see the drill? So let me explain it to you again. My original trade of one account for 10 was there. It fought, it lost, it fought, it lost. We made it back to there. I'm back into 10. One of the accounts has 5. In case it falls to there, that account will have 5 more. 2 of the accounts have 0. In case they fall to there, they will get 5 and then 5 on the overshoot, which again, I might not take the overshoot. So my risk is staggered just like this, and all of it will stop below lows. And then I'll tap it one more time at lower bands. So the idea is I got my risk spread out. So accounts 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we'll do giveaway in just a little bit. I'm going to go downstairs. I hear the guys wrestling around outside. Giveaway for lifetime in 3 minutes. Yes, sir. All right, so what I want you guys to do, and now again, listen carefully. Failure to follow instructions on this one giveaway, you are banned for life from all of our giveaways and banned from the Rocket Scooter community for life. So for the life of me, I have to say this every time, and yet somebody still fucks it up every time. Do not type anything in chat. Follow instructions, even out the door. Follow instructions. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my God. Stop typing in chat. All right. Y'all want me to cancel giveaway Bonanza? Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop typing it in chat. Yeah, all right. Okay, let me repeat. If you fuck this up, you will never be able to enter one of our contests ever again. 1. Number 2, we'll ban you from life from Rockstar community. So here's how this contest works. This one works. Okay. What you do is if you have spent now again, if you're off by $100, $200 or your math is off and we're like, no, your math is off, you don't claim the prize, we're not going to ban you. But if you come out and lie, this is what people have done before. The rule is if you've spent $1,000 with our code, meaning you bought like $100 prop account after discount and you spent $1,000 total, you probably having a bad month, right? And it's only for the last month from October 1st until now. If you bought $1,000 worth of prop accounts, that's not a lot. That's most people, right? And maybe you've blown up a couple of times, you're down on your luck and it sucks. Well, we have a giveaway for lifetime rocket scooter. It's like you're down on your luck, then here is a free pass forever to our community. So you can use our software and learn from us for free. For those of you that are down on your luck, this is a great idea that we had to help people out that may have been having a month of blow-ups or a really bad month. Those are the people most in need of education, right? So if you've spent about $1,000, we've assumed you had a rough month. Just this month, you can enter into a drawing for free lifetime, which is a $4,000 prize. It costs you nothing. So those of you just using our code, every month we give away a $4,000 free software, free coaching, free everything prize forever. You bought a lot, but you don't know if it's 1K? Right, so do your homework every month. Now you know for next month to track it. Enter the giveaway only if you've spent $1,000. Number one, we'll ask you to send your receipts to us. Number two, we'll ask the prop if you did, and they'll check as well. If you are like somebody that says, oh, I wasn't paying attention, can I get the account anyways? You're banned for life. From our Discord, from everything. We take away your Rockstar your license, everything. It's that serious. Don't make Slacks waste his time. He's a hardworking guy. Somebody was like, oh, no, I didn't do it, but man, I'm so desperate for the account, man. I really want the account anyways. Can you just help me out? And Slacks is like, yeah, I'm going to help you out. You're going to quit trading. You're banned for life. Stop trading. It's not good for you with that attitude. Slacks and me say this to people. We're coaches even on the way out. Trading's not for you, bud. That's how you are treating trading. You're desperate and you need a handout. We're saving your life. I promise. You need to stop trading. Your wife, your kids, your family will thank us for banning you. Don't trade anymore. Okay. So the point I'm saying, if you bought over 20K using Rocket Scooter, I think, yeah. You can enter. So the rules are harder than prop firms, LOL, Carrie. Probably so. Okay, so the rule is basically pretty simple. If you have spent $1,000 on our system, type in free life. Remember, we'll check. If your math is off a little bit, we'll just not give you the prize, but please don't make Slacks waste his time. If Slacks determines you're being an a-hole or a desperate whining crybaby, we'll probably ban you for wasting his time. So remember, if your math is off by 50 or $100, we won't be mean to you because you're going to be told about the contest. But every time on the 30th, if you qualify, make sure you qualify. Type in free life only if you qualified. Remember, if you type in free life and your name is drawn, and you didn't follow the rules, there's a chance you can never enter one of our giveaways again. October was a pretty shitty month when somebody says there's no way people spent that much. I've spent plenty of money on props. I mean, these Tradeify accounts are $400 a piece. Not hard. 2 or 3 of them will get you there. Right. October was pretty bad. It was a choppy, volatile, crazy month that hit a lot of people. It happens. Okay. All right. You spent close to 1,000 Canadian. Does that count? I don't know the exchange rate. 1,000 US dollars. That's it. We'll be fair to everybody. You need to cross the threshold. If it's $980, we don't round up. We probably won't kick you out of the club, but we'll have to tell you, sorry, you don't qualify. So, and because I'm feeling generous, because I'm a world record holder, and because I'm going to be the world record, and because you guys all entered the Ninja Trader Cup, if I can see we had 50, 98, 27. If I can see 25 more Ninja Trader signups for the cup, I'll give away 3 lifetimes to people on this list instead of 1. Because I'm in a very good mood right now. The rupees count. Yeah, but I don't know how many millions of rupees equal $1,000. I don't know the exchange rate, but it's a lot, right? Rupees are big number wise. There's lots of rupees per dollar, right? Let's see how many. I think rupees is big. 88,734 rupees. All right. So the Ninja Trader contest, is it like 400K in prizes, right? It's free to enter. It is a one-day YOLO trade event. And if you're in first through 400th place, you get a prize of at least 100 bucks. First place is 8,000, second place is 2,000, third place is 1,000. And it's a stupid YOLO contest that is a one-day trade. It's very little of your time. And even if you don't plan to trade it, sign up and fill up a slot. You give everyone else here that's trading one better chance to win by you just tying up an account. You make it to the second round, which is the top 10% of the Monday trade-off. The final is the following week. And the prizes are 250,000 total. 100K for first place. 25K for second and third place. 10K for fourth through 10th. Cost to enter is $0. $0. Everybody must enter. One of you will YOLO luck yourself into paying off your fucking house. Okay? I don't know how much your house is. Or paying off your car. Okay? For no effort. The link is at the top. You must click that link to sign up. It takes a minute to sign up. All the way up to 300th place, you get $105, even if you get 300th place. Fantastic thing. And let me tell you something pretty cool. Because we're like partnered with these guys and they're going to sponsor our stream and everything. They offer me an incentive bonus to get those numbers filled up, to get it to 10,000. Matt, we need your help. Can you get this to 10,000? I said, I'll get it there. They're going to give us a prize if we fill up that tournament roster. And that prize I will give to all of you in the form of prop accounts, just like I always do with prizes I win. I won the BDH. I gave you guys $10,000 worth of prop accounts. Whatever they give me, I will buy prop accounts and give it to you guys as well. I will literally pay you to sign up for this contest. Do your resets count? If you bought anything with our code, then it counts. Yes. Can I sponsor a free wife contest? I'd love to do that. Sound like the refrigerator guy is here. Tradeify contest is bigger? Yes. Tradeify contest also sign up for. Tradeify contest is also Monday. It's the more serious contest. Ninja is just a roll the dice contest. Not that big of a deal. But it's free. So I'm pushing it so hard. And I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to pay you guys to sign up for it. Simple as that. Okay, next thing. Tradeify. Tradeify Arena Cup, Grand Cup is also Monday. It's a longer competition and you're on Team Rocket Scooter and there's big prizes for that too. That's a more serious competition. Of my inside sources of executives at this company have told me they expect about 20 to 25,000 total entrants to the contest. Meaning that 200 of those 25,000 will be getting live accounts as a prize. Your prize is a live account if you're in the top 200. So that is 200 out of 100,000. 200 accounts out of 25,000. Okay. Which is 8 out of 10,000 or 8 out of 100. Wait, hold on. Wait. 200. Sorry, don't listen to me. 225,000, which is 2 out of 250, which is 8 out of 1,000, which is 0.8%. 0.8% of the participants of this competition will be getting a live account. Those odds are fucking fantastic. Oh my God. The rate at which you fail your first payout is almost 0.05 to 0.1% of traders, and most prop firms fail first payouts. First payout. Make it to first payout. This is how many people make it to first payout. About 1 out of 1,000. 8 out of 1,000 will go live. The odds of going live, this is your best odds you will ever have, ever in going live with a prop so far in the history of props. Do you understand me, everybody here? 200 out of 25,000 people will be given a live account for being in the top 200. Do we all understand this? 0.8%. That is the highest chance you will ever have of going live. Live is like the rarest thing. 0.1 of 0.1 of 0.1 to hit each payout going forward. Live is like on the scale of like 1 out of 100 to 250,000 people will go live usually. Like less than 10 out of a million total accounts purchased. Please understand this, you guys. 0.8-ish estimate is fantastic. The cost to enter, free. If you've ever had a Tradeify account, it's free. You just sign up. If you've ever bought an account with Tradeify, it's free. If you haven't, it's 35 bucks. The accounts at Tradeify only cost 40 something bucks. So you might as well go buy an advanced account. Use the Rocket Scooter code. You can enter the drawing or tally towards the drawing next time. And then it's free. So you can buy an advanced tournament free or pay $35 in a tournament. That's it. The winners of that are huge. If you are on the winning, if you win the tournament and you're on my team, our team gets $25,000 in incentive prizes like giveaways and stuff to give away to the group. And also the last person standing in this group will have a $5,000 cash prize for that as well. That's at Tradeify's website. Tradeify. Yeah. So Ninja Cup, Tradeify Cup. Did I get my 25 ninjas so I can give away 3 lifetimes? Takes a minute to sign up. 98.27. Let's refresh. 98.45. Oh, that's 18. Let's get 6 more. I'll be right back. 7 more. 7 more, guys, and I'll do 2 more lifetime giveaways. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Y'all getting banned. Yeah, I feel like we're going to have the ban hammer's going to be swinging today. All right. Let's get a couple more. It takes a minute to sign up. Oh boy. We need 7 more signups for Ninja. All right. I guess we're going to give away 1 lifetime. Darn. I thought 3 would have been fun. You're telling me of all the hundreds of thousands of dollars I give away on this stream every month, 7 you guys can't go sign up for a free contest. Free life. If you have spent $1,000 with Rocket Scooters code with any of our prop partners, you spent at least $1,000 only in the month of October. Type in free life to enter a contest. If your name is drawn and you aren't following the rules, you are banned from all future contests. So when I call your name in chat, you will type, oops, I wasn't paying attention. Sorry, Matt. And we keep going. If you make it to Slacks to try to claim the prize and Slacks finds out you're lying, that's when Slacks gets on his trusty toad and he will kick you in the nuts and you won't be happy. All right. Yeah, the resets will count. Yeah. All right. Most people it's saying props are hard to pass. That's part. And October was a very crazy volatile month. All right. We're going to play the song. Wait, which song should we play? Which song should we play for the giveaway? Which one should we do? You do not have the right. You do not have the right. Play the meme song about green mat. Oh, that's fun. Okay. All right. Hey guys, we're gonna spin the wheel. We'll give away 3. We've almost filled up the Ninja Cup. The problem is that there are 6 more to go. Oh, no, I refreshed. 2 more to go. 2 more Ninja signups. Just 2 more. And I'll give away 3 lifetimes. 3 lifetimes. 3. 2 more, baby. 2 more. Let's go. 31. 51, 58. All right, we got it. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting us. It's really going to make us look good. Like I said, I'm trying to get in with Ninja Traders so they can open up their API to us so I can get you guys to trade your prop accounts here. We can get our tools inside of their platform natively. How cool would that be? All right, let's go. Ready?
Listen up, kids. This is Tale of the
Oh, I can't even headbang anymore.
who wears DP next. He will message you and say you're a great trader, but don't click the link 'cause this man is a traitor.
Oops.
Listen up, kids. This is Tale of the fake.
Don't be this guy.
Better version who wears DP next. He will message you and say you're a great trader, but don't click the link 'cause this man is a traitor.
Dream Hunter. Congrats, bud. Dream Hunter, in chat, you must type. I'm pretty sure, or I think I spent $1,000 with Rocket Scooter, meaning that you understand the rules
My great head
as your response.
make a sick team. Click this link, man. Please click this link. Yeah, you gotta click.
Dream Hunter, baby. And if you're like, oh, I didn't, sorry, just say, no, I didn't pass. If your name is John, you can say pass, and we'll keep going. You only get banned if you make it to Slacks and he finds out you're lying. Dream Hunter, you can say, I wasn't paying attention, and you're okay. If you weren't paying attention, you're fine. We'll just move on.
Start a team with me. So I clicked the
Not
link.
banned. No, not banned.
Check out other Matt's cool platform. This is totally not malware. So many cool features. Look, this tells you where it's
Yeah, if you're just like, my bad, I wasn't paying attention, you're totally fine. You're off the hook. But don't, like, if we're like, congratulations to the winner, and you go to Slacks and we got to give it away again, waste of time. All right, let's go.
But then I noticed his profile pic. The sight of this Matt made me very sick. He had red eyes and a very bulbous double chin. I'm gonna be sick.
I'm gonna be sick.
So then I messaged Slack.
Lex and I said, slightly fatter Matt is the biggest bitch, and I think he stole my credit card.
So Slack's donned a shiny suit of gold and drove into town.
Jeanette Gaia,
Toad. He saw
as your response, could you type in, I believe I've spent $1,000. I understand the rules.
then Slack's knocked on other Matt's door.
Or just say you understand the rules, whatever. Have you spent $1,000? Dude, when we first did this contest, people were like, Jeanette, you're here? Jeanette, do you understand the rules? I didn't tell you to type a heart. I didn't tell you to type here, man. Boy, you guys get used to following the rules. I told you what to type. That's the wrong answer. She's probably excited. Jeanette, if you don't type what I tell you to type, we're gonna pass. So last time we would give away the prize, and then people would be like, get the Slacks. Oh my bad, it was a advantage. We had to give away the next day, and someone else didn't do it, and we had to give away the next day. We kept having to do it. Waste of time. Jeanette, I'm counting the 20, and I'm passing your prize on. Jeanette, do you understand the rules? Say, I understand the rules, and yes, I qualify. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Pass, sorry. Okay, totally fine. Totally fine. You're good. Okay, good. Let's go on. See, it takes a while, right? It's crazy how people don't follow the rules, but it's okay. No, nothing personal. You're good. If you honestly pass, we'll move on. Sometimes people are at work, it's muted, they're not paying attention. I get it. No ban, nobody ban. Ban is if you try to cheat Slacks or if you beg for the account anyways. Slacks will kick you in the dick. If you don't have a dick, he'll make you one on a 3D printer and he'll kick you in it. I promise. Oh, that song just keeps going. All right, let's keep going. Peter X, buddy, did you qualify? But don't click this link because I'm mad as a trader. So this is about all the fake mats that message you in Discord when you sign up, asking you to join their Telegram channel. It's really this guy. He's an actual poser. Peter X. Peter, do you qualify? Do you understand the rules? Type. Don't type yes. Don't fucking type thank you. Jesus Christ, guys. Type, I understand the rules and I qualify. Do you understand the rules? This is what I'm saying. Do you qualify for the contest, Peter X, my man? You understand the rules? Do you qualify? Say, I qualify. Good. Peter X, winner number 1. All right, excellent, Peter. Welcome to the club, my man. 2 more. We have to be kind of, you know. Thank you guys for signing up for Ninja. This is really making me happy. Number 2. Matt wants to start a team with me. Slightly Matt calls it hedge. Slightly fatter Matt calls it sledge. Special, kind of weird. How's Resilience looking? Resilience is kind of pulling back and tanking a little bit. Side of this Matt made me very sick. He had a bit nice and it's like very bulbous double chin. I'm gonna be sick. Trades galore, buddy. All right, tell me you understand the rules and you qualify. How's Rez looking? Rez is back down close to negative. Nah. Bum, ba-da-dum, dum. Traders galore, buddy. Do you qualify? Hey, so Tyson, no, you don't. So this drawing right here is for people that spent $1,000 using our code this month. That's it. This is a giveaway only reserved for people that used Rocket Scooter code over last month and spent $1,000 total. It's lifetime is free access to our platform and boot camp for life. It's to help people that might be down, like you blew up a bunch or something. October is really tough, right? And so we give away a prize like this so that people that are kind of like at their wits end or like, you know, struggling, right? You'd probably be struggling at that point. You're in need of free, you know, some help, and that's help for people that might be struggling. DD ratio 65. DD ratio has been deteriorating a little bit, and I'm not really a big fan of what I'm seeing. Resiliences are Anubis. I know Anubis knows the rules. What is going wrong? But then I noticed his profile pic. The sign of the map makes me very sick. Anubis, my man. Do you qualify for the prize? Do you understand the rules? Have you spent $1,000? Say yes, I spent $1,000. You see how hard it is? I know it sounds like I'm kind of being a dick with the giveaway, but most people are like, oh wait, pass, right? It's okay, Anubis, you're here, but you didn't spend $1,000. Totally fine, pass. See what I mean, guys? There's a reason we have to be sort of like tight on these rules. All right. Excellent, excellent. We have some new songs, don't we? Mike. Here we go. Wait, Mike made a new Eiffel Tower version. Abu Mabarak. Do you fine? Yeah. This is just so wrong in so many ways. So there was an old picture of... So the Slightly Fatter Matt saga was like... This is like 10 songs deep to understand all the intricacies of this meme. This is so funny. This is the Halloween version of that meme mixed with a little bit of Lance action. Abu, how you doing?
Order filled shit. There goes my peen. Everybody gather round, show us where Matt hurt you. Lance emerging from the garden, Matt course. Volunteering at the senior center, scaring grandmas. This is Matt O'Ween. This is Matt O'Ween.
That is so funny, Mike. Hilarious. Halloween Matt song. Y'all are so freaking sophisticated. Look at this, y'all, with the Lance thing. Look at this. Abu, did you qualify? Sorry, I didn't see you typing. You do qualify. Awesome, bud. I'm so glad to have it. You and Peter, exciting, because y'all been in chat for a while, so I'm really happy to see y'all. You guys are lifetime winners. One more, okay? One more. Look at this, the 3D bust of Lance. Check this out. There you go. Farina made this. That's hilarious. Y'all, like, honestly, I want this more than I've ever wanted anything in my entire life. I'm the kind of guy that can buy anything I want in life, and very few things thrill me anymore. I'm thrilled. I would pay anything for that. I'm absolutely thrilled to own something like this. Riyadh Aguid. Did you win? Do you qualify? Lance nosing out of the competition. Lance is cooked, bro. I've never wanted anything more in my life than to have that in my garden. You know what I'm saying? All right. In my brand new garden project. That'd be so great. Riyadh. BZB bouncing so many times. Yeah, I actually took the five spot I had and trimmed it down. Now I just have the one account with 10. That's it. I'm taking the risk in the one account with 10. It's the account with the most to lose. Actually, no. Oops, I did it backwards. I'm in the medium account with 10. Oh, well, whatever. That's the one that's red. The only account that has an active position is this one right here. The one that's down 4. It's a position of 10. So I'm just going to write it out. And let's see what happens. Oh, Riyadh, did you win? Yeah, where you got? Riyadh, do you qualify, sir, for the prize? Do you understand the rules? Say yes. I've spent $1,000 using the code. He said he spent $850. Oh, okay. No problem. No problem, sir. But don't click the link because this Matt is a traitor. Bum, 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 bum. So right now I'm only long in one account. Just holding bull zone. And instead I'm going to span the range again. I'll start... Normally I was going to do 10 and 5 and then double down here. I'm going to do just 10. And then on the overshoots and reclaims, I'll take it one more time. With 5 on the account that had 5 here. I actually closed out flat. Free humanity, buddy. Is there a fence giveaway? Bro, I got so much extra lumber. I could give away a free fence. Like 5 of them, man. If hedge pressure still a buy, if res is negative, for me it is, yes. It's just a smaller buy. Today's a good day. Free fence. I got way too much lumber to give away, man. Ow, dude, freaking head hurts. I gotta go downstairs and tell these guys how to finish up the project. Free humanity. See, the lifetime giveaway takes a while sometimes. Do you qualify for the prize, sir? So when y'all say like, wow, like 400, 500 people, you spent $1,000. No, it's more like 400 people didn't follow the rules. Most people didn't follow the rules. So there's like a lot of entrants to contests to just enter. It's Halloween crap day. Crap trading day Halloween. You think we're selling off today, guys? When y'all think VIX is just climbing through the roof, man. I think I'm not liking this. Amanda Easting. VIX is pushing like crazy fucking high today. All right. I'm gonna close out. I don't like VIX moving like this. All right, I'm flat. VIX is scaring me. I'm flat. That account's now down 10. I'm fully flat. Ow. I'm not gonna hold through it. I'll take it again on the reclaim, but VIX is just being stupid. I know I'm probably cut out too early, but VIX is starting to like climb very much in a way that I'm very uncomfortable being on a long, and that the floor could fall out right underneath me. So this is actually scaring me out early, guys. That kind of like rapid parabolic curve in VIX, I'm not liking it. This could sort of sweep very fast to the downside. Not worth making the loss any bigger than it is, and I'm totally fine. So looks like in the overall balance of the world record accounts, this is looks like I'm flat. That's kind of cool. So I'm not even down. It's like a flat day. This one's down. These four are up. So that's good. You understand the rules? And I qualify Leo Energy. See how many times you got to spin the wheel? Even when I'm so strict about it, you still got like 10 or 15 people that didn't count. They don't count. Even though it is bull side, I'm going to wait and let it come to bear zone and tap it one more time. Look, today's a good day. We failed to fill the gap. We fell out of bull zone again. Resilience is still good enough, but VIX is climbing, and it's climbing uncomfortably. W Kevin! W Kevin! Kevin! Kevon. W Kev. Dub Kev. Kev Dubs. My brother. All right, cool. Kevin. Yes, sir. Excellent, you guys. Sweet. All right, y'all are all lifetime members. You know the drill. Just talk to Slacks. Y'all know who Slacks is. Send that screenshot, baby. Okay. All right, hold on. We're going to continue giveaway Bonanza in a little bit. I got to run downstairs and talk to the contractors. I think right now, like I said, the way this market's panning out, I am not super excited about trading. I know I cut out early with VIX moving higher. I could still hold on to this. I don't want to trade this anymore today until I get something looking nicer. This could turn out to be a really, really weird day. I'm going to give it about an hour to sort of like stabilize, decide what I want to do. If I miss out on the big green candle, I don't fucking care anymore. I'm totally fine. That was a headache and a half. All right, hold on. I need to go downstairs. All right, so we're going to do a really fun to next giveaway in a second. Now, anybody can enter this. This is a fun to next giveaway. I'm going to give away 20 fun to next accounts. And I'll be right back. Fun to next 20 accounts. Let's go. Type it in. Be right back. Ow. I remember yesterday I said I wanted Chick-fil-A. I went and bought like 5 Chick-fil-A sandwiches. I was so craving it so much. I'm so fucking smart. I am so fucking smart at trading. Look at that. I teach you guys in the VIX class on Monday. When that VIX starts looking weird, man, I love being so smart. Ooh, all right. That could have been $10,000 loss there. Further $10,000 loss. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Giveaway Bonanza. Copiar participantes. I don't know why this is in Portuguese or Spanish or whatever this is. Who knows? All right. All right. All right, guys. And the winners are Ranjish, Radhikar, Faithful Melodies, Mr. Fletcher, Satish, Marcio Preza, Betty Futures, Flint Lockwood, Moses. Again, man, you won the other day and you passed your account and actually got funded. Chimney Cricket, Daniel Baker, Super Awkward, Crazy Basie, Anura, Jesus Leon, Trader Ken. Bro's a hacker, I tell you what. Happy Chef, Kayla Crew, Futures Trader 420. He got the good luck today by making the Lance Garden gnome. Vignesh and Eva Trades, congrats. Y'all are gonna be like fucking chasing Trader Ken out of here with pitchforks one of these days. Poor guy. I can't be so mad at him. He wins a lot, but also because his name is also like easy to remember. There's a lot of people that actually won a lot. Ow, my fucking neck hurts so bad. All right, the 20 of you are now Fund and X Rapid accounts. Go to Discord, message your admin Slacks, send them a message, let them know you won, send them a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Have an account with Fund and X already will get you your 50K Rapids going forward. That check again, you're not fooling anybody. Congrats to all my friends here. All right, let's do one more. For giveaway Bonanza. Remember, futures at Funded Next Futures is the quickest path to payout of any prop firm, period. It is 4 days to pay out with these rapids, and it is by far our most used affiliate code by a factor of 2. Take Profit is the next biggest one. So Fund and X Rapid is what people love. The contest is over. Stop typing. You and your freaking AI bots, I swear. All right. Contest is over. Check it out if you haven't. Remember, Code Rocket Scooter gets you all these good deals here. Remember, ETF has a very fantastic $57 all-in account, the cheapest accounts out there. Fund and X Rapid, quickest to pay out. Buy Funded Futures Scale, best all-around prop account, period. For value, for everything else, whatever. Dude, Trader Ken has been like manifesting like crazy. AI rocks. He knows it. He enters with like 600 accounts, you know, and that's pretty much what it is. Okay. So we are going to run out of time if we don't get through these. All right. Now, what else do we have to give away today? I don't think we can get through all of it today. We'll have to do the rest of it this afternoon. Let's see what else I got. Hey, everyone. It's a giveaway Bonanza. Rocket Scooter stirring up a stanza. All right. The Futures Desk. We always have Futures Desk credits to give away. I've got $1,600 worth of Futures Desk credits I'd love to give away. Futures Desk, not one of our official partners, but a firm I thought is pretty cool because they have a whole different model. They have a straight to live model. It's not a sim funded sort of, you know, churn and burn like Apex. It's like you pass, you go live. That's basically what they're doing. That is the future of prop firms, by the way. The sim funded thing is not going to be here forever because, you know, the stupid fucking influencers out there pushing codes are getting regulators to look at this industry, and they're about to change everything because of all these little small time dipshit fucking losers out there trying to push codes to make a buck. They're the ones bringing the heat on the industry. selling improperly, breaking the law, being illegal, not following FTC guidelines, not disclosing your paid endorsements and partnerships and all their disclosures. They're basically making an embarrassment and mockery of not only the business law in the country, but also regulatory law for futures. So it's these quote unquote influencers that are about to ruin the party for all of you guys. If you understand my kind of dislike and distaste for these small time, they don't trade, they don't do anything, they're just trying to make a buck out of you guys. They're about to get the industry regulated. They're about to ruin the party for all of y'all. So if you support any of these people out there, I don't care if they're nice on Twitter, oh, they're a good community or whatever. Fuck them and they're a good community. They're lying traders, they're fake traders, they don't know what they're doing, and they're breaking the law. They're about to get the fucking party shut down for all of us. Okay? Hope you understand that. Regulators are looking at the industry like it's comedy at this point. Old fucking grandmas and fucking nobodies sitting there pumping affiliate codes left and right. Why are we rallying? What is going on? Is Trump talking? Is he rescuing the market today? So anywho, when the sim party ultimately comes to an end because of all the simfluencers out there who brought the heat on, regulators look at the industry and they're looking to regulate it and change it. Your sim-funded playground is about to be paved over with the parking lot. One of these years, sim-funded is going to go away completely. That kind of sucks. So remember, protest against these influencers on Twitter because they're going to ruin the fun for everybody. But when the fun is ruined, what's going to end up happening is that all firms are going to be like the Futures Desk. This is what I'm talking about it. Futures Desk is a straight to live program. This is what all firms are going to evolve to become eventually. So you're going to actually have to pass and actually go live and actually have to manage a live account going forward to make money in props. It's only a matter of years before sim-funded goes away completely. That is basically the name of the game. And all these affiliate code pushers and everything will die a slow and painful death in the space because they won't be allowed to legally do that anymore. That will be shut down too. And the result of all of this is that you guys, I'm trying to look for my news thing I have here. I have a news sort of. I got too many tabs open, like Arby's, like what's going on here? This is why I take a really strong stance against the simfluencer community. I don't care if people are like, come on, man, they're a good community, they're nice. No, fuck that. Like they're doing illegal shit and they're gonna get the sim stuff shut down. Like I'm not in this to make, oh, they hurt your feelings. Fuck your feelings. Like literally, fuck all your feelings. It's going away. Let's see what's going on here. Trump talking, somebody talking. What do we got? Boy, that would have been a great rescue channel if I was still long. What is going on here? Meeting with China was incredible. He said the same thing again. Remember, meeting with China was great and the market just goes. That's it. I would love to get rid of the extra 10%. All right, whatever. I ain't doing nothing on this. Meeting was incredible. Yeah. What's the future of futures prop firm is that sim-funded is going to go away completely. That all firms, you will pass an eval, and then once you pass an eval or a series of evals, and then you will go live. Or if there's an intermediate step, you'll accrue a balance, and then that balance will go into a live account, and you don't get that balance. You only get the rewards which you make from that point going forward. So essentially, sim payouts are about to go away. I made a tweet yesterday making fun of the Influencer Cup. That's like the peak of the fucking bubble. Some no-name firm called Trade Day or something hosted something called Influencer Cup. It was a tournament and they were like all the best influencers in the world. And like that word alone is enough to get the regulators looking at this. All these like no-name, small-time nobodies are like, oh, we're an influencer. Look, I'm important in the space. And then these are the people that are getting it shut down. Like the whole thing is stupid. I'm never going to work with that firm because of that very thing. Like that thing is stupid. Don't support this. So they're on my shit list, just like everyone else is on my shit list. Like you're now a comedy version of the industry at this point. And when I made that tweet, I was like, who are 80% of these people? And like, why are you using the word influencers? We're not an OnlyFans. Let's not use that word for the industry. And dude, all these little kids were like, whatever, man. Like, who are you? Like they are so mad because they're trying so hard to build a brand. So all they're trying to do is make a buck. They can't trade, trying to make a buck. Anyways, they're going to get it shut down. Rant over. But the idea is when everything's shut down, Futures Desk is leading the curve. Futures Desk is already prepped and ready to go. All firms will be straight to live. That's it. This is what's coming. I work balls deep in the industry. It's coming. Futures Desk is fantastic. I love these guys. This is why I'm supporting them. We're not partners. It's not a paid endorsement. They just hand us some stuff to give out. We'd love to check it out. They have a static. They have an end of the day, and it's pretty cool. And then that's where all firms will be. They see it. They're kind of in the, and everybody uses them, loves them. Great firm, pretty straightforward. It's not a sim fun churn. It's if you're a serious trader and you want to go live, this is one of the best places to go live at. They have a straightforward path to live, and it's really good. Yeah, Futures Desk is goated, like somebody said. Fantastic firm. Like, I looked at it and I started talking to these guys. I'm like, I really love what y'all are doing. And they're like, thank you. And I was like, yeah, I support you guys, whatever. There's no partnership or paid endorsement, nothing. It's one of the rare cases I just actually absolutely love something. Is it going to be hard for y'all or more easy? In the future, it's going to be harder for y'all. Yeah, so I would like for you guys also on socials and stuff to take a stance against the small influencers, self-proclaimed influencers in the space. They're about to end the sim party for all of y'all. It really sucks. It's because they're breaking the law, not disclosing paid endorsements. All they're doing giveaway. You know, every time you have something you publish, you must also post a disclaimer that's paid endorsement. These are FTC guidelines. And, you know, essentially people are running illegal contests. There's like, I know what's coming. I know what the firms are getting heat up. Everyone's positioning for it. My funded's positioning for it. Top Step's positioning for it. The industry's getting too much heat, and like all this publicized stuff is like, you know, the futures is like, well, we're tired of looking like a laughing stock. Let's go ahead and yeah. So anyways, people are like, why are you trolling, bro? Nobody's trolling. You don't deserve to. If you're not a trader, you don't deserve, or you're not following the legal rules and all that. You don't deserve to be like making the industry look bad for everybody who's doing it right. That's for damn sure. Said I should stop beefing with Kelly. She's in her 50s. Who the fuck are these people? Like, no, she's the reason. She's one of the reasons that this shit's getting shut down. Like, you guys are retarded if you don't know that. Susan D. She's in her. Oh, let's leave her alone. She's in her 50s. If you're in here, I don't care if you're in your 50s. I don't care if you're 90s. If you're like being stupid, you're gonna get the whole prop thing shut down. Susan D, what's up? They hate they. I don't know. It's like 50s and grifters. Yeah, 50s and never traded. These people are like a plague to the industry. Dude, they probably make like $10,000 a month on affiliate codes. They probably scrape together a salary. And they're making the industry look bad by spinning fake news and fake videos and fake engagement posts. You know, half of her shit is like, this firm is a scam, that firm is a scam. And the regulator's like, oh, yeah, huh? All this stuff is a scam, huh? Okay, yeah, so that one old fucking lady can make $50,000 a year. Prop firm's about to go away for all of you guys. You're welcome. Yeah, stop beefing with these people. No, these people are selfish losers leeching whatever dollar they can get, and none of you are gonna be able to trade sim-funded props anymore. You're welcome. Yes, beef with them all day long. Like, don't protect this. Don't fight for it. Don't stand for it. Old retired grandmas want to make a living making videos saying that all these firms are scam, and the regulator's like, oh, you don't say scams? Huh, let's investigate this. And they're not scams. It's just somebody making shit up for engagement. You know what I'm saying? Like, grifter's got a grift, man. I tell y'all. No, don't stand for it at all whatsoever. And you know the influencer cup? Did you know the quote unquote tournament? Every influencer, but every one of the 40 people but 2 blew up. They didn't even do bad. They blew up. This is what it's like. They're making a mockery of our industry. It was literally the biggest display of dog shit trading I've ever seen. None of them survived. You know that? Everybody but 2 people blew up. Some of them had 8 blew ups and kept going. You know who was in that was important? Nobody. Pat wasn't in that contest. Matt wasn't. Rips wasn't. I wasn't. Brian wasn't. Nobody that actually does things in this industry correctly. has a big following. These people don't call themselves influencers. They look at that and they go, God, that's so cringy. You know what I'm saying? It's the small people that are doing brand building like it's an Instagram fucking thing that are the ones that would do stuff like that because they're trying to scrape a dollar. The upper echelon of people, the people that make millions of dollars a month, not 10,000 a month, they see the dangers of that kind of thing, that growing irresponsible behavior that's bringing heat to the industry. All right. Kind of sucks. Whenever I talk to some of my prop partners and they're like, you know, we're making these plans to go live, you know, Funded Next is rushing to get a live program in. I mean, like, because Sim Funded, you need a live program to pass regulation. Regulation's cracking down. And so, you know, the uncapped payouts at Funded Next. Oh, yeah, no, it's about to have a cap. A live program, you know, it's like, if I win again, beefing will end. If Trader Ken wins, beefing will end. It's not beefing. It's these people need to go away completely. They don't deserve to be here. They're making you guys, they're going to ruin it for y'all. Just so they can make like a $50,000 a year salary. You know what I'm saying? They can't trade. None of them are traders. They have small, tiny communities. 1,000. They're like Twitter accounts. Some guy with a Twitter account of 600 people in the quote unquote influencer cup was like, bro, I challenge you one-on-one to $1,000 trading competition or 10,000 or something small. I don't remember what it was. And I was like, what? He's like, yeah, bro, you think you're all great. Well, I'm not as rich as you, but I'll trade you $10,000. And I'm like, all right, yeah, I also challenge Elon Musk to a $10,000 Scrabble match. I'll let you know when he gets back to me. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's what these people are like out there. So anyways, there are people that work for the industry to help bring equilibrium between the industry and you guys, to help it pass the regulation, help prop firms come up with better rules, you know, work through customer service issues like we have. And there are people out there just leeching a buck because they can't trade. Making shock content. The shock content providers are the ones that are bringing the heat. This firm's a scam, that firm's a scam, this firm's a scam, this firm's suing that firm, this firm's a scam. And the regulators are like, I never knew this was going on. Thank you, old lady with 2,000 followers, for your video saying that it's all a scam. Let's shut it down. And that's kind of what's happening. It's like, so yeah, I don't want you guys to like, just not only be, I want you guys to be very hateful towards these kind of people for their selfish behavior that's going to make it harder for you to get funded. It's not, oh, but they're nice or they're whatever. No, like, this is not what I care about. I'm nice. It's not about people's feelings. Yeah. Do I think that person's a scammer? I don't even know who that is, but I don't even know them, and I'm gonna tell you they're all scammers. All of them are. They're just not really scammers. Let me tell you, they're not. If they're selling something and pretending they're doing well, not really a scammer. Let's say it differently. They're breaking the law and spinning misrepresentative material about firms to get engagement, to use affiliate code, to get people to use affiliate codes of them so they can make money. They're shock jockeys that are spinning negative commentary to make money. It's bringing unusual heat to the industry. So it's more like disingenuous, right? Not really a scam, because they're not really scamming people. Disingenuous is like, you know, not being forthcoming about your genuine nature. The whole point about this is that, you know, influencers or whatever they call themselves, this isn't a world where influencers should be able to exist. So let's eliminate all of them. Brian F. Any idea when regulations might be coming? Yeah, within 2 years. All the firms right now are going and registering as IBs so they can become their own brokerages. All the firms right now are planning products just in case Sim Funded goes away. Yeah, I mean, I work for My Funded Futures. I go to the team meetings every week. I'm in team meetings with Elite Trader Funding. I'm in team meetings with Funded Next. This is executive meetings with the executive team where only a handful of people go, like me and Brian, a couple people in Funded Next. You know, when they were like, hey guys, we're making these accounts. They're going to be called Rapids. What do you guys think? And Brian and I are sitting there with them saying, yeah, actually Rapid sounds like a good idea. And they're like, do you think this is a good? Do you think your customers will buy this? And we're like, yeah, we think it's good, but maybe you should try this and add this. And like, oh, that's good ideas. Like there are certain people that like get that seat at the table. They get to hear what the prop firms are doing and want to do. And they're like, so you guys know we're going to come out with a live program soon. You know, regulations are changing and you know, and it's like we hear the buzz of like what's going on behind the scenes. And it's just like one of these things that, yeah, everybody's like, well, shit. Influencer. I hate that word. The word makes me gag. This used to be a space where traders were the leaders, not people that are just like, okay, I'm a leader now. Everyone follow me, because you're leading poorly. You're like leading. It's not even leading. Like the sum of all of these people in the influencer cup are like still 1/10 of our customer base if you add up all 40 of those people. So they're all of them are like tiny and small, but each one of their websites and things are like these sort of like just illegal sales pitch. You must disclose, first of all, like FTC rules, you must disclose endorsements, like paid endorsements from any firm. Like this is a paid endorsement, right? And like most of them don't even do that. And so the regulators are kind of like, you know, Sandy, the next winner. I'm glad I'm sitting on the sidelines with this, man. All right, what do we got? S&P. We're getting close to bull zone bottom on S&P though. I might tap that 10K account, the one that's upside down, when I get there. But yeah, so no, my goal isn't to go out there and build a community of small time influencers to help them get ahead in life. They don't deserve to be here. You know, my greater goal would be to sort of eliminate them from existence, such that, you know, people that are following regulation and doing things correctly, traders, good leaders, are, you know, making a good representation of our industry. That's how I feel. How is it an influencer cup? Yeah, like the trade day or whatever, they're on my shit list forever for doing that. Like, don't use trade day. So, and like tiny little prop firms like that do stuff like that, they're supporting the ultimate. Everyone's squeezing whatever little drop of juice they can get out of this lemon, and these are the people that are going to actually turn the lemonade into shit. Yeah. I'll tell you guys in a little bit. If we only had the power to eliminate scammers, well, that's the thing, right? And right now, you know, FinTwit, like when that girl Rena, she's a scammer like all the rest of them, was like, guys, I feel so bad. Everybody, God, stop being mean to me and whatever. And Pat's like, well, you're a fake trader and you're lying and you're, you know, and she's like,